everyone. Holy pumperoonie.
We did not plan that. I'm just going to be honest.
We did not plan that at all.
I was like, I think this is what she's going to say. And I was right. That was a wild guess. That was amazing.
This happened with Nick earlier today too. We said the same thing at the same time. And I was like, did we just become best friends?
Wow. Okay. Bye. Oh, here we are. I was like, where are we?
No, I was going to say the same to you. Relax.
Dude, we're the three best friends that anyone could have.
We're the three
best friends. Oh my gosh, guys. I was in a short when that tweet came out. Rip. And I was up too. I was like up and I was like, okay, I'm driving to the office. I'll get out of it when I get there. Famous last words.
Yeah. I am still in these longs. Yeah, I'm really just like, at this point, it wasn't looking too hopeful. I'm not gonna lie. It was not looking too hopeful. I was checking out the 5-minute. I'm like, all right, they brought it all the way back to this. I'm gonna freaking lose it at this 943 level. I'm like, are you kidding? This is the billionth time we have not been able to finally find traction. We tried to a little bit this morning, but this 943, it's gonna haunt me. So I was like, all right, we came back down. We're falling back down. I'm like, at this point, either buyers step in at these levels or they just die. Like, just let them fall at this point. And then big old President Trump just bringing us back up. So yes, if anyone doesn't know, the news that just came out from Trump says, I have canceled scheduled strikes and bombings against Iran this evening. And so that was posted on Truth Social. Obviously, the markets went crazy over that news. NASDAQ, ES made the move up. Gold had a nice pop. Oil making a nice move down. So yeah, that's where we're sitting right now. We are finding some resistance though at previous day high right here at this 29,250. So if we still hold a back test at 29,053, I think this starts to kind of chop around until maybe we find the push up into the 390s that I've been eyeing all week. So we'll see. We'll see if we get it. But you're in a long two though right now, right?
Yeah, I am. I'm looking for 391 on NQ. And you know what though? I actually would look for even above that at 689. I'm annoyed. I was in a long at, I'll tell you. I was in a long on my brand new funded accounts at like right around like 350.
You were in longs at 350?
28,350.
28,350. Good Lord, girl. That's nice.
Yeah. Except I was sized too big and I lost my accounts on the pullback. Because I was like, so I'm going to be totally honest. I've been thinking about this. Coming off of like the biggest month I've ever had, a goal that I had set for myself in my trading career, just my career, not even like this year, not even like whatever. It was like in my trading career, I hope to have this kind of month. Got it. And now I'm like, gotta do it again. And I've been rushing and I've been sizing. Like I was in like 2 minis, and I think I DCA'd into 3 minis, and then I got stopped out. And it's like, I'm still relatively new trading NQ. So like when we get those moves on NQ with 2 minis or 3 minis, I'm like, oh damn, like that's a lot more than kind of I had in mind, which seems silly, but like, I'm just so used to, like, if you ask me how much certain amount is on gold on, like 4 micros on gold, how much is 100 points? I could be like, boom, this is how much it is, right? $4,000. But like with NQ, I'm still kind of trying to figure it out, which is irresponsible, I would say. So like I was sized too big, just trying to rush it, just trying to get there faster, trying to beat my, personal record and blah, blah, blah. And I got stopped out, and then it ripped. How much are we up now? At 700, almost 1,000 points for my entry, almost 900 points for my entry. And if I had just sized down, I would have been, still, probably wouldn't still be in it, but I would have had a much better day.
Yeah.
And then I got some growth accounts, re-upped on some growth accounts, and then I was trading, and I legitimately was so tired I fell asleep with a trade on, and I hit DLL. So now I'm trading my personal.
You said something interesting in that, you hit this goal last month that you had set for yourself, but you didn't even think you would hit it this year. You hit it, and now it's almost like you feel this pressure to
Mhm.
continue holding this threshold. I mean,
100%.
realistically, do you think that it is realistic to continue hitting that every single month?
No. I don't. I mean, like, it was a huge month, and I think that I was reading the market really well. My risk management was really good. My trading was really good. I was like, felt like I was on the top of my game, and I think like we should always aim to be better. I think that I was saying to Nick yesterday, like, do you ever get to a point in your trading career where you're like, okay, there's nothing I can do to get better. There's nothing I can do to improve. And he's like, yeah, me, I'm number one. I'm like, no, you got third place, but nice try. And he was like,
He's never gonna let that go.
this is why I wanted first place. He's like, I will pay to get that title. I'm like, well, then you bought it. And he was
so
like,
funny.
he was so mad. And I think that like you never, for me, and I think my personality, and I think it's very, it's a common personality trait of those who trade, is that you're always striving for better, not more, but better. We are perfectionists. We are relentless. We are resilient. We are a glutton for punishment, and we always want to shape ourselves into better people, better traders, right? And so like I was going to say, that whether that's in our personal life or whether that's in our trading life, we are always striving for better. And so I think that the problem with that is, and coupled with seeing people make $2 million in a day on social media, is we're always thinking there's more, right? So in reality, I should just be happy with a green month. I should just be happy when my payouts are bigger than my expenses. So yeah, I think that like it's too much of an expectation for me to expect to do that month over month over month. But I'm competitive with myself, so how do I kind of let that go,
Oh, I feel that. I'm just like, we're the same person. I'm the same way when it comes to anything. It's not just trading. I mean, extremely competitive in nature, but I think it's really healthy to expect, I think having those expectations is fine. Having better goals, like you said, being better every single day or trying to be better every single day is the way to go about it. But having the expectations of, yes, I'm going to hit these highs every single time can be very debilitating. And this isn't anything. This isn't just in trading. This can be in your fitness goals. This can be in any other goal that you have in life. But it's expected that we're going to go through seasons. And I say this all the time, like traders especially have seasons where they have such massive wins, massive streaks of just hitting green all about, and then all of a sudden they go through a down month or a down week or whatever that looks like for them, and they think, crap, like some traders are like, how do I get out of this? How do I this is not just a season for me. They look at it differently. And that can be debilitating because you're like, damn, I just had my biggest month and now I'm seeing one of my worst trading streaks that I've had. And so like that mentality can really shock you as a trader, especially because, it's understanding that like you can really go from $100,000 month to being in a losing streak for the next 3 months, and you just don't know what happened, right? And that's, again, it's not something that lasts forever. Just like winning streaks don't last forever, losing streaks don't last forever. But at the same time, it's understanding that you're going to go through that, and that's okay. But if you do hit that same goal, great. But maybe it might not happen the next month, and that's totally fine too. It's just as long as you're repeating what you've been doing, the consistency aspect is what you need to really focus on. And I think you're doing a really good job of that. I think you're really killing that.
Thank you. It definitely is the process over the profits, right? Like, and I think, at the same time, we are here to make money and to make profits. Yeah. But oh my gosh, look at I look like that animal with like the horns that go, what is that?
What is that? Is that some type of bull?
It is some type of like. got a life of its own.
Rebecca the buffalo.
The higher the hair, the closer to God. Oh my
Out here in
gosh.
the plains.
Dude, it's what?
That's a ram.
What's that animal? It's a ram, right? It's a ram.
Yeah. Instead of buffalo.
It could also be a buffalo. Hold on. I'm thinking of like a cartoon movie with that thing that, what is it? Freaking A. I just watched it.
Gosh.
Because I watched so many freaking cartoon movies. Okay. A ram. Hold on. Yeah, a ram definitely works.
Yes.
Hold on.
I'm looking at it right now. Yep.
Look at that.
Rebecca the ram.
What happened to it?
There it is. Yeah, perfect. Screenshot this.
This one. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Is that Brett? What do you? Is this the goat? Is it because it's the goat? Is that what you're saying?
Oh yeah.
Better be.
That is
yeah, process over profits. I mean, we're all here to make money. We're all here to make uncapped money. But you gotta focus on the process. You gotta slow down. And I said that too. I have a few people who I talk about my trading with. And I was just like, damn, I gotta slow down coming off of that month. You just need to.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So
take it easy.
Take it easy. That's
of
right.
course, celebrate it. You should, celebrate it. That's a huge milestone you hit. But yeah, I'm like
more accounts.
Yeah, no,
and then it was like, you've reached your max of select accounts this month. I was like, damn it.
Oh,
going to growth.
That's a thing
anymore.
By the way. That's a thing. Reaching your max select accounts. Ooh.
Whoops.
Oopsies.
It's like 15. We're on June 11th. What the hell, guys? You can't say that. I'm not honest with you.
This is true.
That was a lot.
So what do you think? What do you think
Right
we
off.
do from here? What do you think? Right off.
I would really like to see us continue up to 391, 390 is where I want to see this continue up to. I feel like we might come down and retest the 29049. If we hold that, I think we could come back up. Like right now for my levels, we're floating at nothing. There's nothing in between let's say 071 and 393. There's nothing really there. So I'd like to see us continue up and hit 390. Do I think we could continue up into the close? Sure, maybe, but I wouldn't be surprised if we find a rejection off of that, like some resistance at that level. What are you looking at?
I have a level at 390 actually. So I love that level. Trying to figure out where I got that level from. But yes, it is a level that I have. And then after that, I don't have anything major until 747. So yeah, of course, levels in between, but I would like to see 390 and then Tuesday's highs would be great. Tuesday's highs
which is where that would be
870 area.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I see that here. Yeah,
Yes,
that would be
yes,
nice.
yes,
I mean, we are above yesterday's high. Like we hit above yesterday's high.
Yeah.
And
I just don't want to see a failed move of that level. That's the only thing.
And then just range back down to the same like 280 level. All right, let's put this at $16. I can hear myself. Did I have a
reverb? Yeah, it'll come and go. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
It's been happening a lot lately, but yeah.
Here says, I have noticed that option levels have been getting absolutely blasted lately. It ain't just you. Thank you. Yep. Hold on. I think I can't understand that comment, so I'm not going to read it. I'm just catching up with the chat. How's the chat doing? You've been here. You were here this morning. Same. Is it the same chat that carries through? Do they carry all the way through?
Some of you guys really stick through most of the day, which I appreciate. I think that's awesome. You guys are supporting. Yes, there are a few, and then we have a couple of mid-morning people. Right now we're both on the West Coast, so it's barely 11 a.m. right now. It's 10:51 in the morning, so it's still morning for me.
It's like a whole lifetime has passed when I get on.
I know. You think that? I'm like, it's 4:00 in the
for
evening.
you, yes, because you've been streaming the whole time, so it's a different kind of lifetime. I get on and I'm like, a whole market has passed. I'm like, I get on, I'm like, there's nothing left to do.
Right.
I'm wrong.
I know.
I'm like, there's not. By the way, not related.
I love updates from Becky.
I found in my bag Mexican pesos.
Oh my gosh.
No, really gotta do something. Okay, hold on.
Take them all the way to Switzerland with you.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, this is worth $1.50.
Yeah, barely,
honestly. Okay. Did you watch my Insta? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Did you watch my Insta reel? Did you watch my Insta reel where I made those marks on my forehead?
What?
No? Okay, hold on.
All right, hold on. Let me go find that.
Or anything, just like, hold on. Hold on. I need more things. Okay.
Markings on your head.
Yes. Okay. So apparently, I just realized I didn't have any of my rings on. And so apparently, if you're anemic, like quite anemic, gold will make black marks on your skin.
Gold?
Yeah. Do you have any gold rings on you?
Yeah, I have. Yeah. I'm not wearing them.
I'm still anemic. See, look at that. You guys, look. There's nothing. Gold. Okay. It's rose gold, but it's gold. Look at this. You see that? A little bit better.
Is this supposed to be dark? Oh my gosh. Girl, you look like
I know.
What the fuck?
Black Panther. Wakanda forever. That's what I look like. Look.
You look like the mom from Dune that has all the freaking tattoos all over.
Yeah.
What the heck? What is that? So that means you're anemic?
Apparently. Try. You try.
I mean, the only thing I have is it has to be gold, right?
Yes.
Pure gold.
Yes.
All right.
What in the demon is that?
I mean, I can't really do it with my bracelet,
Take off
but
your ring. Take off your ring.
My ring is white gold.
Still gold. I think it still works. I don't think it works as well.
I don't know if it's gonna work because there's
actually I don't know because here's my ring. My wedding band is white gold. Does it work? Not quite the same. No, doesn't work. You gotta have gold. Or the gold is fake. No, it's not. It's
the gold is fake.
No, because so I've worn these for like, okay, this is my engagement ring. I've worn it for 8 years and I've never had any marks ever on my fingers, ever. And I all of a sudden was like, when we were in Miami, I was getting black, like dark marks on my fingers. And I'm like, what the heck? Like, is it the water like reacting with the rings, like making this? Because they're not green. As soon as I took it off, the marks were gone. So it's not green, it's black. And I was like, that's so weird. So then we looked it up. And when I was on vacation, my sister-in-law was like, apparently it's this like old wives' tale thing. And so then I did it and and it didn't make any marks on her.
What?
Yeah.
So you think you might be anemic? That's the what we're assuming here?
That's what she told me. People in the chat are saying yellow gold up to 18K. I mean, I know that this is 18K, or I think it's 18. Yeah, 18. Because I got it as a look at that.
That's crazy.
It's insane.
I've never seen that in my life.
Right? They're like, let's get rid of the screen.
let's do a finger paint drawing on Rebecca's face right now. Wakanda forever.
It is like Wakanda forever. It is. It honestly is. So anyways, simply an allergy to gold. All of a sudden allergy. I've been wearing these for 8 years. I've never had an issue with them.
I don't even know what to say about that.
I don't even know. And my husband made a joke. He's like, haha, copper. That's why. And
it's like, copper.
Dude, come on. I know
but
where
it doesn't hurt or anything. It's just And it doesn't, because I know I have like skin sensitivities for specific metals. Like I can't wear nickel. I have somewhat of a latex allergy too. So there's certain metals that I can't wear. I know latex isn't a metal, but like yeah, nickel I can't wear. Any those silver, whatever, if it's like the fake silver, it's not even just going to turn my skin green. I will react to it. Like I will break out in a rash.
Yeah, I mean, maybe I have a new allergy all of a sudden. Like maybe it's a new thing, but like I've never had the issue before. It's never been a thing. So I'm like, and I have had low iron issues. I had to get an iron infusion and stuff. So I'm like, maybe it's just back.
That's crazy. I was today years old when I learned about this.
Yes, me too. Rebecca, even I know. Thank you, Kevin. I just wanted someone to agree with me. Rebecca's hiding a piece of chalk and making folks try. No, I'm not. Everyone take off your gold rings. Everyone take off your gold rings and try. It's not chalk. Look, nothing. Black chalk. Come on. Chalk. Simply an allergy to gold. Maybe I'll have to look it up, but I mean that would be new. Rebecca, did you say you're from Area 5051? Yeah. Fake gold, fake engagement, fake marriage. Let's get married? If your ring makes a mark on my face, my answer is no.
That's so funny.
No, isn't that crazy?
That is, yeah, that's wild. Never seen that.
Yep, I got back and along. FYI.
Oh, you got out of your original one and then got back in?
At break even. I'm trying again.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, okay, sure. Why not? Let's go.
Well, ES is in, I don't know. ES has been wonky too. I mean, NQ has, but like if ES can get back above this, well, at minimum, I would say 73, 79. And then you have the wick fill from yesterday's high to yesterday's high at 404. So 404 is going to be the ultimate level, because I think once we hit 404, we're an easy target to Tuesday's highs. But it's just kind of like slowly making lower highs, which I don't love. NQ is less in an issue here for the longs. I think NQ has good I think it has a good path ahead of it if it can just find its footing above 300. But ES is the one that I'm a little worried about.
Okay, let me take a peek. Yes, here. Hold up. Gotta bring up my...
Holy crap, Executor. It says today also made super profit in gold, captured almost 800 pips. So 800 ticks.
Oh yeah.
I don't know the tick number, but that's a lot. With 1 mini in a live account. My gosh, good job. Good for you.
Yeah, ES for me has a lot of room above it. For me, the next kind of area of resistance is not until, I mean, there is one at 393. So like all, 23, oh God, we're getting up 20 points up. But then above that, there's nothing until like 442.50.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, like the area for me would be exactly 393 to 404. And then above 404, I could see this. I could see us back up to 448.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So let's see. It's interesting.
I like it. Yeah. Maybe or hopefully this isn't like a sell the rumor sort of situation.
Oh.
We've seen that, that's for sure.
I'm chatting in the chat.
Chatting in the chat.
So, I booked a thing for Father's Day, thinking I was being like the nicest wife partner ever, and then my husband was like, "Nah, I don't really want to do that."
Didn't he say the same thing about his birthday?
Yeah, he's a hard time.
He is a hard time
doing things. I booked a spa. It's like an outdoor, like in a shipping container, remade into like this really nice spa with like a cold plunge, hot tub, sauna, all these things
included.
Exactly, and it's open air.
Oh,
and I booked but the only time slot they had available was 10 p.m. at night, and he was like,
"That's late. Why a spa at 10 p.m. at night?"
Yeah, but it's nice. It's like because that
could be
twilight.
cool.
It's twilight at that time because it's summer.
I would go with you.
come on up
Like,
here.
1 in
Come
the
on up.
morning, we're going to the spa. I'd be like, bet, let's go.
Oh yes. When I was in Korea, the host mom where I was, she'd be gone for like 3 days. She'd be at the spa because you can like
Mhm.
sleep there and stuff. I was like,
Like a big
what
thing,
is
yeah.
this spa? Freaking, that's what I need to do. I need to find a spa where I can go and stay for 3 days. They'll be like, you did. This is called Miami.
You already went to the spa, Rebecca. What do you mean? You want to go to open air spa? What is this at 10 p.m. at night? You think I'm crazy,
Are
Rebecca?
you crazy? I'm like, yes, I want you to come with me. I'm like, we can go for dinner and then we can go to the spa. He's like, I go to the spa all bloated. I'm like, bro, just me.
You know what? He's actually asking the right question.
I'm like, all right, I'll just cancel it. F me for trying to do something nice. He's like, hold on. You want me to do a Father's Day thing without the kids?
Kids.
Isn't it about being a father? A father.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like,
he would make me
dude.
feel so bad.
I'm like, never mind. Just do what you want to do. He's like,
you
well, I
know
don't know
what?
what I want to do.
Screw me trying to do anything nice for you.
Yeah, never doing that again.
What is that? Who am I? Just a wife?
You even know how to do nice things. Apparently not. Apparently not. No, he's funny. He's like, I get that you're trying to do something nice, but like, why would I why would I want to do that at 10 p.m. at night? I'm like, okay.
You're right.
Yeah, I'm running out of time to cancel it though, so he needs to give me an answer. I need time to learn. I know, honestly, just do nothing. But then if I do nothing, then I get nothing, and I don't want to get nothing in return.
Maybe you just have to tell him what you want, you know? I mean, Mother's Day was in May.
I do. I'm like, give me a card that just says I'm a great mom and like for handprints for my kids.
Oh, handprints.
Nothing. No, I got to go do stuff on Mother's Day, which was nice. All right, so my long is not cooking. I should just not even.
It's a hard day. It's a hard day to trade.
We've always seen kind of continuation of these movements, so I'm gonna just wait and see a little bit here. But oh man, okay. A tweet here says,
"Oh God, another one."
President Trump just told me an agreement with Iran has pretty much all wrapped up. It comes after I exclusively reported this morning that Tehran submitted a final MOU to Qatari mediators last night. Yes. But like Coach Dunk said, we need Israel to also say they're on board with whatever agreement is happening between the U.S. and Iran. I don't know. I'm just kind of like it. Partially want to hold on to a long, just because you're like the roof will pop off if they all come to an agreement and tweet it. It's like it's almost worth holding one micro just for weeks. Just
I know. That's pretty much what I did. I was in 5 micros last night. You'd be proud of me. I held a trade. Well, I'm still technically in it. I'm in 1 micro left, but I held it for 13 hours.
On your live account?
No. This was on a different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn.
13 hours. I was in 5 micros to start, and 5 micros hit so far in profit. Well, so far in profit is over $5,000 on 5 micros. Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
That's nuts. I'm like, okay, I could do this. I could do this all day.
I'm so proud of you. I could do this all day. I could do this. I gotta hold this for a week. Well, that's like Tyler. Like Tyler just like swings gold with just a few micros and just absolutely banks.
Crazy.
Good for you. Okay, so just FYI, this level here, I'm really looking for this to hold on NQ. And if it does not, if it kind of dips below 04, you know what? Actually, to really hold this, for this to really be invalidated, it needs to get below and hold below 916.
916,
which is quite a ways down, which kind of sucks, but you know, it's 1 micro. I'm chilling, but it needs to like
on. So, and you're talking again. You're talking
about NQ.
Okay. I want to see us hold 29018. Um it would be nice if we can hold 052, but 29018 area is what I'd like for us to back test. Otherwise, a back test of pre-market high makes sense too, which is again that stupid 943 level.
Mhm.
So yeah, if we can get the hold here, again, that previous day high is going to be a very key area. We've been just rejecting this 300 level. So not the best for longs right now. But again, I mean, if you go back and look at this 15-minute candle, even the 30-minute, wait, let's look at the, yeah, 15-minute candles have been really strong. Obviously, they got a nice catalyst, but I would like to see us hold this and not retrace the whole move. That'd be great.
Yeah, that would be crazy.
There was a question earlier. Someone asked, since you both follow price action. Oh, wait, that was that question, but there was another question before. Oh, same person asked, Miriam and Rebecca, looking back at your trading journey, what was the one mistake you made early on that you tell your younger selves to avoid? What would you say?
Sorry. I was looking at the news. It says, Miriam Rebecca, I have to read it again. Looking back at your journey, what's the one mistake you made early on that you tell your younger selves to avoid?
Trying to think about this too.
I really like the journey that I took in my trading. I think it taught me everything that has made me successful today. So I'm trying to think of what I would avoid. Because I think that you ask any trader who would say, I've made it, you know, they have all at some point hit what they would probably consider like rock bottom in their trading. And from that evolved into the successful trader that they are. So I don't know if I would avoid anything.
Yeah.
I've seen people put themselves in debt trying to be successful. They've racked up, you know, credit card debt, buying accounts, and have chased a payout in that sense. And I would say definitely avoid that. I didn't really put myself too much in that position. At one point I was like, ooh, my credit card is higher than I would like it to be because I bought too many evals, and that was a very short-lived thing because I paid it off. But like, it was a stress that I really didn't need. And I've seen people put themselves, we talked about this yesterday, I mean, Nick, in positions where the pressure that they're putting on themselves to succeed in trading is a financial pressure. And I would definitely say to avoid that. I didn't really do that to myself too much. I took it super slow at the beginning, which I think was good. I ramped up my size and ramped up my scaling when it was needed, which I think was good. I think that I was in a bit of a slump in my trading, and I increased my position sizing, and that got me out of that slump because it's a lot easier to close a trade, 20 points in profit when you're up $600 than it is if you're up like $100. It's just like you tie yourself to that profit number, and it's hard to close. You want more, right? So sizing up when I needed to is really beneficial, but being really slow and methodical and small at the beginning taught me proper risk management. So I don't know. Do you have something?
Yeah. I would say learn when to shift gears on what day, because I think a lot of traders go into the markets with the same 900 miles per hour thought process. Like, I need to give this market my, like going into it at the 6th gear, right? Or whatever, the 5th gear. And that's just not how it works, right? What I would probably tell my younger self is there are some days where the market will give you absolutely nothing, right? It'll give you nothing. And your only job on those days is just to downshift into 1st gear and protect your capital and to go just live your life. Those are the days where you go live your life. And that is something that is such a skill that doesn't seem like a skill when you're first starting out, but it is something that will set you up for so much better success in your trading career than you actually think. Because there are days for me, though the days that I'm talking about was last Friday. Those are the days where everything lines up. You have, very strong conviction on the market. That's when you go into fifth gear. That's when you don't like tiptoe on, ooh, maybe I should, you don't get scared on those days. You could just go for it. You just go for it, and you go hard on those days. And that is going to look very different on other days. And I think the market pays you maybe like to that level, maybe 3 or 4 times a month, maybe. And that's just finding out when those days come, because on those days when you go hard and when you should go hard, that's when you actually get paid. And you shouldn't be doing that every single day. So I think that's what I would tell myself. Because again, I would go into the markets every day with the same mentality, and I would just give back all my profits that I made on those good days. So treat every day as a separate sort of gear.
Yeah. And one thing that I still struggle with occasionally is like having a hard time admitting that my trade might be wrong, because how do I say this like without sounding cocky? I'm right. Like I with my strategy and where I've gotten so far at my trading, like, again, this time of day is a bit more of a struggle for me. But when I'm trading in my element during Asia and London, is like I'm often reading the market really well. And so when I'm not, I have done it where I will just like delete my stop loss. And I'm like, I can ride, instead of cutting my trade at $300 stop loss, I can ride like $500 to $600 drawdown. Like I can do that because I know it's going to come back and I can ride it out. I just won't watch it. And then it doesn't come back. And then I lose my accounts because I'm just so stubborn with my read of the market. And I think the ability, something that has really propelled my trading in the last 6 months, it has been able to cut my losses and let my winners run. And so when I get in my head and I don't cut my losses and I hope for the trade to turn around, is when I experience the more significant losses or lose my accounts. And so I did it in my personal, I've done it on props, and it's never worked out. Maybe once or twice it works out, and that's like the worst, because then I convince myself when I do it again that it will come back. But I'd say like 8 times out of 10 it doesn't work. And so truly being able to be like, okay, I'm wrong, and I can try again at a higher level, or I can, like save some money in my accounts to be able to try again, is really beneficial. So that's something that I think that like still comes back and bites me sometimes. Like I floated in like $150 points of drawdown with like 2 or 3 micros. So it's not much, but it's enough that it's like, you just admit that you're wrong.
I know.
And just take the loss and try again.
Yeah.
And sometimes I just can't. Sometimes I have a really hard time with that.
Yeah. I get that. I mean, especially if you have not just conviction to the trade, but you saw it almost round trip, right? At one point you were all the way up here and you're like, I don't want to realize this loss. That's another part to it, because technically you haven't lost until you've sold. So you don't want to realize the loss and actually see it on your P&L. You'd rather just try to hold it and see if it's gonna go. But yeah, that's why I always ask too, like at what point, it really helped me, I think, in my trading, of looking at both sides of the equation. If I'm a bull right now, what would I want to see? If I'm a bear right now, what would I want to see? Regardless of where in the position I am, it's so helpful to see, all right, I have to be real with myself. Would I realistically, if I'm long right now, would I be shorting right here? Would I? Probably. And that's saved me a lot of times of staying in trades that are looking very much like they're going against me. So yeah, you just have to be honest with yourself and see what the price action is telling you. Because again, at the end of the day, the market doesn't give a shit about what you're in, what you're trading, what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what your losses are. It's just going to be like, we're going to do this. We're going to pump up 400 points because Trump put out a tweet that, you know, and it's just, that is what it is. If you're in a short, you got cooked on that. And that's just unfortunate. It's happened to all of us. But again, you have to understand what market climate we're dealing with right now. And it's not a very fun one to be in at times. So
No.
if you're not okay with that, then just don't be in a trade.
Yep. You're exactly right. And someone said here, Rebecca, do you have a max tries on the idea? I'm stubborn to stop. Yeah, I mean, I would like to say it's 3. I'll give it 3 tries.
I would like to say, I like how you say that.
I'd like to say it's 3. Sometimes I'll sometimes if the setup is really good and I know I was just too early, I'll try again, but I will like reduce my size. Yeah. So a lot of people say that they have an issue with like revenge trading by doubling up. I'm like, I'll have my size, to just reduce my red. And I'll give myself a few good tries, because it just often happens that I'm early.
Yeah.
But I think that like once you get in the habit of admitting that you're wrong and cutting your losses and just really just pressing that button, closing your trade, just press the button. And once you get in that habit, it becomes easier and easier and easier to do. And you realize like you reduce your emotional tie to your wins and losses the more you do it. And I would say like here, I've already cut a losing trade twice while we've been on the stream for like $20 each time.
Yeah.
And I don't care. Now I'll try again.
Yeah.
Like, and that's being sized accordingly. And that's why I was mad at myself yesterday by just sizing up too big, because I had the right idea. I just didn't account for the proper amount of drawdown. It was just a rookie mistake.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Yep. Now back to square one.
Back to square one. All good. I mean, man, the amount of times I've been back at square one with trading.
Honestly, I was texting someone yesterday. I was like, I give up. I hate trading.
Yeah.
And here I am in a trade.
Back in it, baby.
How many times a week do you say, I'm done?
I'm done. I quit.
I quit. Honestly.
So funny.
I asked yep, go ahead.
No, I was saying I actually asked Jake that question in the podcast. I was like, have you ever wanted to quit trading? He's like, what's funny? I've actually never wanted to quit. He's like, this is just something that he's like, yeah, I've had days where I would go back, and I'm paraphrasing, of course. He's like, I'd have days where I would have, rough days, but he's like, quitting was never an option for me. And I thought that was an interesting perspective, because I've heavily considered being like, this is just not for me. But his mentality was always like, all right, I didn't have a good day. Failure is not an option here. How do I just get better at it? And I think that's something that I don't think a lot of people say to themselves, and not just trading, in anything. If you really want to make something work, I mean, technically you can make it work. It's just being realistic with how long are you willing to stay through it with, right? And so
I have to agree. I've never truly seriously considered quitting. Like, it's never been, I think my life circumstances put me in that situation, living somewhere where like a 9-to-5 just wasn't a possibility for me. Like at the time, it was like living in Italy, not speaking Italian, with like a shitty economy, with no jobs. Like what else was I going to do? Like maybe if I was living in Canada and I had bills and I had like a 9-to-5 that was there, like in marketing or communications or whatever, that was there for me, and I was losing again and again and again in trading, probably I would have considered quitting and going the easier route. Right. But that was just like that wasn't an option for me. So trading was it for me. And then you got to get your payouts, and then you get I think my son's daycare is calling me. And then you get the, I don't even know. Number, like people call, like I never answer my phone. I'm like, I'll screen it, Google the number, and then I'll call them back.
If it's someone I don't know, they can go to voicemail. And if it's important, they'll leave a message.
I know, it's true. I don't even think I have voicemail set up. I'm going to be totally honest.
This person's mailbox is full.
They have not yet set it up because they're a lazy piece of shit. That's me. That's me. But anyways, it was an option for me either. I've had days where I'm like, I think I need a break. Like I can't keep doing this, but like not forever. There's a couple questions in the chat. Someone said, how do you manage the psychological aspect of that kind of loss? Not well. But here's the thing though, is that like I am always in a position, whether it's having a job or whether it's not spending too much on evals, like one of the two, I'm always in a position that I can try again the next day. So it has never been a loss where it's like, well, that's it. I have nothing in the bank to be able to try again. I have to wait until, like my next paycheck comes in or whatever. And that's my personal circumstances that I'm not like willy-nilly, but I'm also like losing an account is not going to be the end of it for me, So, and I realize that I'm privileged, but I've also put myself in this position by budgeting or working. So it sucks, and losses used to really affect me. Now they suck, and then I have to go change a diaper or something, like they suck, and then life carries on, and I pick it up again the next day.
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't know if this was what you were reading, but someone in the chat said this job has made me inherit so many bad behaviors and habits. That's an interesting perspective, because I would actually think that trading didn't give you those habits. It just exposed you to them. I'm gonna maybe say something a little bit of a hot take here, and I'm not trying to like point you out here, but I think if you suffer through clip it. I think if you suffer through impatience, revenge trading, impulse, whatever it looks like, then that might have already been inside of you, right? It just shows up, right? It just shows up in how people argue, how they eat, how they discipline themselves off the charts, how they handle even like being cut off in traffic, things like that, right? I think trading just attaches some sort of P&L to it, so you just can't look away from it anymore. And I think that's actually a gift. I think that's the beauty of trading, is most people go their whole lives without actually seeing the patterns in front of them, because real life gives you this smoke and mirrors, right? It gives you a fuzzy feedback. And so the market gives you this receipt. It gives you the data based off how you're trading and your impulses. And the same thing happens in the real life. You just don't see it. You just don't really see it. So the job itself didn't make you worse. I think it just made you more visible to yourself. And what you do with that now is the actual work. So clip that.
Ain't that right? Ain't that right? There's another question in here. Hold on. Where did it go? Oh, what's my favorite pasta? Pasta. My favorite pasta is probably spaghetti bolognese.
Ooh, but is it bolognese?
Bolognese. Yes, I probably could like when you're craving that and it's a good one, it hits. It really does. It slaps. I do like a truffle pasta too, but like I really got to be in the mood for it. And then another one of my go-tos is called aglio e olio. Aglio e olio. So it's shit ton of garlic, and I make it at home a lot. So you fry it, you got your hot oil, you got your thinly sliced garlic, and you fry it, and then you add in pepperoncino, you fry that up a little bit so like the oil's really like flavorful. Then you put in like 3/4 cooked spaghetti, and then you add in the pasta water to finish cooking it off, so it becomes like thick and creamy and spicy and really garlicky, and it is so good.
Wow, you're getting me all hungry, and I just ate.
I know.
That's all I had when I was in Italy, and I would order the truffle every single time. And after the second day, I was so sick of it, but it was so good at the same time. But they would make it so rich to the point where you like got so sick of it, but it was so good.
It's very good. It's very good. And that's something I would never make at home. So I do like to order that kind of stuff when I'm out. Like aglio e olio, I make it home all the time. Like spaghetti bolognese, I can make it home. Like meatballs, I make it home. So like that kind of stuff, I can make it home. But the good truffle, or like a good like shrimp, like something with fish or whatever. You're saying pasta or pasta? I don't know. Pasta.
Is it pasta or pasta?
I say pasta.
Pasta? Is that how in Italian how you would say it?
Ho fatto la pasta. In Italian, pasta.
Pasta. Okay. All right.
Say it. I had to say a sentence. No.
Esagerata.
Ho fatto la pasta.
Babribipo.
Pasta e qui. That's really funny. So, have you ever snapped dry spaghetti in front of your husband?
Oh,
Yes.
is that like a no-no?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
But
you
like
mean
I
when you
do it.
break it and try to boil it?
Yes,
I don't
and
do that.
to my
I don't do
defense,
that. Don't hate me.
I only do it for my kids when I'm packing it in their lunch because it's easier for them to eat with the fork.
That's fair. That's fair.
I would never do it for like the family. I've done it and it was exactly the response that you imagine. Oh, ma che fai, Rebecca?
Blasphemy.
I'm like, please, for the kids. And he'd be like, oh, okay, va bene. I'm like,
It's okay. Rebecca, don't worry, I will disown you as if
You break the pasta, that's fine. You break the pasta, you break my balls. That's what you
you break this relationship. It's gone.
Yes. We are divorced. He used to say, like, when we would have like fights or deep conversations about our marriage or whatever, he'd be like, the wedding is a more than one a day. The wedding is a love forever. I'm like, it's the marriage,
Yeah.
not the wedding. The marriage. You know what I mean. And then now he's better at it.
Your husband is just a hoot. We need to get him on the stream.
You need
have him stream from the ICU.
Oh my gosh, he's like 1 second. Boop 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 boop. So trading, I hate it.
It's stupid. It's gamble.
It's a gambling. You bet up, you bet down.
At the end of the day, you bet on the wrong horse.
He's like, if you want to lose followers, I'll come on. Yeah. I'm like, that's the opposite of
no, actually the opposite. If you want to gain followers.
You want to gain them. I really should, like, those people who Sarah and forget his name, where they recorded like all the, him reacting a certain way and when she broke pasta and him saying certain things. I'm like, I really missed the boat on monetizing my life because everything is accurate and it's exactly like living with my husband. But he hates me on camera. Like, he wouldn't want to do that, like, this is like, stop it. But I really missed out. And then there's this girl in Florence who like got stuck there in COVID, dating her boyfriend, and just recorded it all. And like, and now she got like 2 million followers on Instagram. She now holds like freaking retreats and wrote a book. I'm like, damn it. Why didn't I do that?
There was a lot of that happening in social media. I mean, people are making money. I saw a girl on social media who's made $1.2 million from selling a course on how to yap.
How to what?
Yap.
Like talk?
Like yap on social media. I'm like, first of all, this sounds like Rebecca.
I need a course to tell me how to shut the fuck up and say. That is not what I need. That is not what I need. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
okay.
1.2 million. So anything is possible. You can don't limit yourself.
Yeah, guys.
You want to be a professional yapper. You can.
That's what we do, though. We are professional yappers. We met. Hey, it's Carla. We met traveling. We met in Portugal traveling. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyways, that's freaking funny. That's freaking funny.
That's hilarious, right?
My computer's trying to shut down on me here.
It's like it's the end of your stream.
It's like closing windows and stuff. I'm like, what are you doing?
It's like your time is up.
Yeah, your time's up. Yeah, we got Spuddy in the background here. So everyone, thank you for tuning in. I can't believe that hour just flew by. It's ridiculous because they can't hear it, so I just stop mid-sentence and just shut down. I'm like, that's what I hear when you talk to me, Nick.
You're a menace. You're a menace.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna quickly talk because Spud's in the background making noises on his Spud deck, and I just can't even. I can't even. Your mic is crackling. Your mic is crackling. Okay, bye. Everyone, stick around, please. Me and Spuddy will be back after the commercial break.
Oh my God. Bye, guys.
First of all, going long. You think prices will go up, so you buy first and sell later.
The mistake people make is picking what sounds impressive instead of what actually fits their trading style.
Let's start with the basics. What type of account am I actually trading?
Do you want to learn more about trading but scared to risk your own money?
Let's talk about the 3 most important numbers you need to watch in Tradeify.
Think you could trade under pressure? The Tradeify Grand Cup is a free trading competition where new and experienced traders can test their decision-making and compete for $1 million in cash prizes. If you've never traded before, it's a simple way to get involved. If you already trade, it's your chance to prove your edge. Registration is free and open now at tradeify.co.
You want to learn more about trading but scared to risk your own money? What if I told you there was a way to trade with someone else's capital while you learn? Welcome to Tradeify. This series explains everything about the funded trading world.
The reality is, gambling is random. Professional trading is calculated risk management.
We're pulling back the curtain so you can make an informed decision about whether this path is right for you.
The reality is, you don't need to know everything. The traditional barriers don't apply here.
Without the proper education or support, this is going to happen. But this is exactly why Tradeify exists.
And that is exactly why programs like ours exist, to give you structure.
We provide the structure and capital
while you develop your skills.
Without risking your own money while you learn.
You don't need to know everything. You need to start with the basics and keep learning.
Whether it's concert tickets, sneakers, if you've ever bought something and sold it for more money, congratulations, you're already a trader.
Once you understand this language, trading becomes 10 times clearer.
This series will show you everything that you need to know.
Check out the whole Futures Foundation series over on our YouTube to learn more.
Hello!
Mommy!
We're back. We're back. Time to get a little crazy cray.
Little crazy cray.
Little crazy
Okay,
cray. How we
do you
doing?
have any gold jewelry? Oh wait, you have a potato
No.
filter on. You can't do it.
Why? What are we gonna do?
Okay, so you didn't see? I guess none of you guys watch my social media. That's fine. Whatever. Just gonna jump off a building. But if you rub, apparently if you like rub gold on your skin and it turns black, you're like really anemic. And just to set the preface, I've had this for 4 years, this ring. I've had these rings for like 8 years, never had any issues, no reaction to my skin. And now all of a sudden my skin turns black when I rub it on. Look at that.
It seems like some weird shit.
It is. I discovered it because my fingers were going black in Miami, and I thought, oh, maybe it's the water. And then my sister-in-law was like, no, apparently if you're like really anemic, your skin turns black as a reaction to gold.
Your grandma said that?
My sister-in-law.
Sounds like
and then my husband was laughing, and he said it's because they're fake. Because it's like my wedding ring. and then he's like, just kidding. I'm like, well, I've had them on for like 10 years. Eat some beef liver. Yeah, I'd rather have black marks on my skin than eat beef liver. Thanks, though. Yuck.
I don't know. It could be good.
Have you had it?
No. I've heard that beef tongue, like cow tongue, is actually supposed to be really good.
Sure.
Whatever, dude.
Lady married to a doctor checks for anemia by rubbing metal on her skin instead of getting a blood test. True. I have also gotten a blood work for this a while ago, and then I had to get an iron infusion. So, like, I have done the right route. But I was like, oh, why are my fingers black? That's weird.
Yeah, like, that's a little off-putting.
Yeah, exactly. Thought the Grand Cup was done. Oh, do we still have the ad up for the Grand Cup? Apparently.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Whoops.
Whoops,
Can you have Rebecca say, okay, Pasta, and is she saying it wrong? Pasta.
Can you say?
Is it wrong? What do you say?
Pasta?
Yeah, pasta.
Pasta?
No.
Pasta. I get some pasta up in this bitch. Yeah, I can't wait to get home and make some pasta. I got some looking at pasta. Yeah, I got
some pasta in this bitch.
I got some spaghetti. Got some spaghetti and some fucking whatever. What the fuck? Pasta.
Okay.
Pasta.
Well, and when I say it in Italian, I say pasta.
Pasta.
When I say it in Italian, I say pasta.
Yeah, that's how it's fucking pronounced. Why the fuck do you say
pasta?
Why do you say pasta?
Pasta.
It sounds like you're saying. It sounds like paste. Like shit paste. Yeah, pasta. You like pasta.
No, not pasta. 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 It's pasta.
Pasta.
No.
It's pasta.
No. Pasta is the pasta paste. Yeah, pasta paste and pasta paste.
Fine, hold on. Pasta paste.
Never ask a Canadian how to pronounce something.
Yeah, honestly, dude, she claims she's Italian.
I don't claim I'm Italian.
No.
I'm Italian through marriage.
All right, poll.
That's as bad as Spud saying pisses. Not pasta. It's.
That's literally what you're saying.
Pasta.
Now you're saying pasta. You were saying pasta.
Pasta.
Yeah. Your brain is like all fucked up right now. Just say noodle.
There's steam coming out of my ears because my brain's like.
Yeah, see, chat's guys. Pasta.
Candle go up, candle go down. What's happening? Spat.
What the fuck?
It's Reese's Pieces.
Yeah, it's Reese's Pieces.
Oh my god. Literal physical pain when you say that.
Good.
Oh, AA, you're not even Canadian. Get out of here. You sound like you're from North Chicago and had a stroke. I feel like I had a stroke. I like pesto on my pasta. Yeah. Pesto pasta.
Yeah. I'm the Italian stallion.
Where's Funty? He'll agree with me. What the hell happened at 1:35? At 1:35, Trump said he was canceling the strikes on Iran.
Yeah.
I don't even think that the strikes were going to happen. I think he said it was, and then he said it wasn't, just for the rally.
Probably. We actually, everybody called it out this morning. Everyone said it's going to be Taco Thursday.
Great. No one told me. Oh my god.
Yeah, look at dude, 93% pasta. Fucking pasta, my ass. Oh my god.
I didn't say pasta. I've noticed that everyone in the cubicles around me have disappeared.
That's great.
Oh my gosh. The best one for me is getting a Scottish person to say curly whirly. The closer to Glasgow, the better they are. The better. I love Glasgow. Glasgow is like one of my favorite places I went to. What do they say? Curly whirly. Curly whirly.
Curly whirly. On. I need a
Have you
serious
seen So I Married an Axe Murderer?
Is it a documentary about your husband? Fresh water. Continue about your axe murdering husband.
That was just so quick-witted. That was hilarious. But no, it's a story. It's a movie with Michael Myers, like the actor. It's called. Are you like? What are you doing?
I was so thirsty. Okay, you know how like sometimes when you're drinking water, oh my gosh, and like you go to swallow the water, I have to make sure I the context and the phrasing of my sentences are very clear. When you're swallowing water. And like it gets stuck, like you can't end up getting the motion of moving water down your throat.
Okay.
I had that for a second. Yeah, I am kind of Giga Chad. Oh my god.
You brought it on yourself. I don't know what you thought was gonna happen. Yeah, water. Yeah, exactly. So I Married an Axe Murderer is a movie with Michael Myers.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Okay, and I think it's in that one when there's like a family and there's Michael Myers is the dad and he has a thick Scottish accent and his son has like a huge head and like a big fro and he's like, look at the head on that boy. It's like an orange on a toothpick.
Oh wait, I do kind of know that. What's that from?
It's called So I Married an Axe Murderer.
No, okay,
you gotta watch it. It's funny.
Wait, dysphagia?
A huge head. I got orange on that toothpick. Exactly. It was a Scottish accent.
Scottish. Nick, that felt so hot. Do it again.
No, it's do it again. And that's what that comment says.
Okay.
Yeah, go cry yourself to sleep on your hitch pillow.
Oh wait, that's the guy that's in
Austin
you
Powers?
know the movie. Yes, thank you. I mean,
Yes,
dude, I was
yes.
gonna have the biggest aneurysm trying to figure that out. So I really appreciate that because you saved me from a world of pain right there.
I should have let you just go.
No,
As soon
no,
as-
because I genuinely would have had to crash out.
Yeah.
Like, that
Oh
would've
my
been it.
gosh. I love So I Married an Axe Murderer. And I love Austin Powers. It's a really funny classic movie. This morning I turned on Netflix for my kids because it's really hard to do anything for myself. It was just me in the morning. And there was Magic School Bus. And I was like, you're gonna watch this. And I put it on. He's like, I'm on Paw Patrol. I'm like, it's the one where they go to space. What do you mean? They go and look at the planets? You wanna watch Paw Patrol? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, Generations doomed. And I put on Paw Patrol.
Then I put on Paw Patrol.
Yeah, it was so annoying.
Oh yeah.
All right, so I'm in a long here. I'm targeting 390.
Fire.
Yeah. Are you in anything?
Just a paper show up.
Oh, okay. I definitely placed a trade last night because I lost my selects in one trade because I was way oversized and
Oh
one.
my
Yeah, you want to know what sucks?
gosh.
Yeah, you want to know what sucks? I was long
Yeah.
from. I was long from like 28. Hold on. 28. Like 350. And I lost them on like the tiniest pullback, and that was 1,000 points ago.
I mean, what were you in fucking like 45 minis? Like it only pulled.
No,
Oh wait.
3 minis.
Oh wait. Okay, if you were in from 350 before it went down to 260,
Yes.
is what you're saying? Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I just miscalculated and I got smoked, and it just sucks because then it completely rallied and hit like now we're up 1,000 points. So there's that. So I lost the accounts and then I reloaded with some growth accounts because I hit my max select purchases for the month. And so I went to gross and I fell asleep with the trade on and I hit DLL. So good Thursday for me.
We listen and we don't judge.
Should we do
Right?
that? Yeah.
Start judging.
No. I know you're secretly judging me, but we should do trading version. Listen and we don't judge. Your turn.
Okay, here. Hold on.
Eric,
Hold on.
you had nothing on.
Oh, here
Right,
we gotta
Tom?
go. We gotta go in. I only needed. Oh wait, no. For my opening play account or my opening strat account, I'm gonna lock it on this. For my opening strat account, actually the story gets even better, right? Okay, this is gonna be perfect.
But
Listen and don't judge.
Chat has to say. We listen and
Okay,
we
yeah,
don't judge.
okay. This is
Not one,
perfect.
two,
The chat was here this morning, so they're gonna love this because they didn't know about this part. So what we did is as I shorted the open, right? Okay. Typically at the open, what did I get filled at, guys? Did anybody fucking remember? Oh wait, yeah. It was right here. 753. Typically, I only need 100 points, right? And I would have got the 100 points to the tick had I just left it. But to get a payout, I needed 115 points. Where's 115 points? Right here. So what did I do? I was a dick for a tick, and I let it go against me. What did I do immediately after that? I longed the fuck out of it. What happened then? We hit DLL. From very close to payout to very far from payout.
We listen and we don't judge. Oh my gosh.
And look it. Oh, what was I doing?
Shit.
Even had the
When you look back-
crocodiles and the sharks. And like the long thesis was right too. And I literally put like 5 minis down on the line and said, "Bug it."
Oh no.
But that's okay. It's okay. We listen and we don't judge.
I know someone. Longs are cooking. Come on, hit my TP. It was not. It wasn't me, but I know someone who was like,
Nice.
on the last day to get $150 to get a payout. Like you need 5, right? And they were like,
yes.
I'm just gonna do like 1 mini. And they had like set the TP, not set a stop loss. It was on NQ. They're like bound to get it. Went to bed, woke up like $5,000 in drawdown account blown. They're like, I literally like hit the like. It never went in their direction for like 2 points.
Fucked. That literally I was just talking to my buddy. He had a 9K payout that he could have gotten Tuesday. Just needed 2 $150 days, and we talked about it on the weekend. I was like 1 to 1 or even like 1 to 2 risk 2 to like do 2 to 1 risk to reward and do it like 2 micros. And then just, if you lose, just fucking close the chart. And then I heard that those accounts are now all gone. I was like, oh my God. I'm like, I know it though. I know it. Like it's so hard not to. Like you risk 150 to make 150, you lose. You risk 300 to make 300, you lose. You risk 600 to make 600, you lose. Then it's 1200, then it's the whole count. Oh my God.
Oh
We
my
listen
gosh,
and we
Mustang.
don't judge.
We listen and we don't judge. I'm like, I think honestly, like my worst ever was spending like $5,000 in resets in one day. Husband, if you're listening, I'm sorry.
5,000 in a
Listen
day.
and we don't judge.
Listen, I could just show you all of my Pokemon transactions and we could really have a listen and don't judge.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm selling them next week. We're going to go in and we're going to record it because it's probably going to be like an insane transaction.
Oh, I'm excited.
I have to text that guy though, and I have to tell him, be like, hey, you better have a lot of cash on hand or get ready to
We
sell
listen
this
and
shit.
we file for divorce.
I'm not judging you, but here are the divorce papers.
Listen, I spent 5, I made 100, you know? Apples and oranges. It is what it is.
Apples and oranges, dog.
You guys really need to put this up as a series. I agree. I'm trying to think of like, man, I honestly think yesterday was one of the worst. Like losing my select accounts in like 5 minutes and then having it absolutely rip 1,000 points was just, and then getting growth accounts and then falling asleep in a trade. Like I literally was like this.
Yeah.
And then fell asleep. And then I woke up at 3 a.m. DLL. Fuck. I was so
That
mad.
is depressing.
Honestly. We listen and we use this against you in court.
That's awesome.
It's just hypothetical. Hypothetical. Oh God, that's apples and more apples. Yeah, you're right. You're right. God. How's your trading going, Nick? Not you, Nick. Mustang Trader Nick. Are you still killing it? Tell me the truth. We're not judging. We listen and we use this to build a case against you. God. Yo, Spud, I sent my Charizard set and graded once I get them back. Want to buy one?
Ooh, no.
No. Nice. Trader X3 says $300 away from passing buffer on my funded. Yep, blown accounts today. No.
Oh, dude. I feel it. I literally feel it. It's okay. It happens, dog. It happens.
It does. Okay, I'm currently up 109 points on this trade. I'm going to go get my wrap and coffee and then come back, hopefully, to being up 219 points. Yo, do you see Celine's Instagram stories of like where she lives now? I'm like, damn.
No, let me see.
That's in paradise. She's in Greece, man.
Wait, that's sick.
I know. I hear.
Oh.
Uh-oh. I saw a tweet about Trump. Shh. What did it say?
Tweet about Trump? What is it?
I don't know. I'm looking. Trump's Truth Social suggesting an imminent agreement with Tehran surprised Netanyahu, who was in the midst of a security discussion about Iran. An Israel source says Israel was not aware of an impending agreement with Iran, the source said, or of any approval to an agreement. Huh.
Interesting.
Yep. Well.
Cool.
Wah, wah. She moved to a city that has Nick in its name. Did she?
It has Nick in its name. That's kind of sick.
What's it called?
It's literally just called Nick?
No.
No.
I was no, Dennis Ernest. I was $29 away from passing, and now I'm $400 away. No, half watching the World Cup. Has the World Cup started?
I think so.
How do I watch it? Starts in 4 minutes.
Who's playing first?
Who's playing? Say it again, Drew, please. Mexico and South Africa. Who's gonna win? $5 on Mexico.
I got South Africa, my little thing, but yeah, Mexico should probably win that.
Yeah, I really screwed that little rolly thing up, and Vinny did not respond to me. How can I watch the World Cup in Canada? Well, really helpful, Drew. I said in Canada.
Becca's like, how do I watch it in Canada? Well, it's on Fox United States, so.
That's what he said to me. Okay, thanks.
That's funny.
Let's see if I can watch
Peacock?
it. Did Canada make the World Cup? Yes. Yes, please.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Drew, you're just letting me down all day. Sports. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Sports. Watch live. Here we go.
Should I put 100 on Mexico?
Oh, yes. Okay, sorry, what were you saying?
That was insanely
happening?
loud.
Did you hear it? Did everyone hear it?
I had no idea.
It's okay.
Where's the United States so I can bet on them?
I don't even know what that means.
Fuck's that even mean?
Yeah. Oh, I gotta go. I'll be right back.
So yeah. Let's put. Oh wait, I'm gonna put minus. It's minus 110 for US. Oh, they play tomorrow though.
Drew, can you take me
No,
off?
I'm saving it. I'm literally gonna put $500 on a massive UFC like 6-leg parlay Saturday. So be ready for that.
Drew, take me off.
Becky, he's warming up his noodles. All right, we are unsupervised for the next couple minutes. It's time to get a little freaky. So here's what we're gonna do.
Watch
She's
yourself.
back. She literally just won't leave us alone, even for a minute. It's ridiculous. Actually ridiculous. It is interesting though how we swept this high on the 15-minute and have come back down. I'm not saying that shorts are looking great because we have really bullish news and these candles are extraordinarily bullish, but I'm not saying that shorts are out of the question. So we ball. It's also supposed to storm like fucking crazy in Chicago, Drew. You better batten down the hatches at your place. Yeah, probably. I literally see it coming. It's scary. Oh, American Pride. Yeah, dude. They're all the same. Last time I warmed up my noodle, my wife got mad. Holy shit. Yo, Spidey, did you count how many account you blew in 1 month? I have no idea. I don't really want to look. I just keep track of how much I spend and how much I get paid out. And the paid out is always much more than the spend, so that's all that matters. Spud, here is my daughter. She's asking, are you watching the potato again? Yes, the potato is the holy grail. Your daughter is, or your mom, if I'm talking to the daughter, is watching a potato trade and maybe lose $1 billion. Maybe one of those insanely choppy power hour sessions still be 100. Yeah, it probably will. If we don't get back up and over 300, maybe we do just end up chopping around here. But ES didn't take that high, so if ES starts to go for the high, I think NQ can clear it and go up to like 28,400. Like the next level, that was probably the GP here. Actually, no, the next level up is like 20. It's like 400, isn't it? Yeah, the 707 is 374. So the mega short is definitely coming. Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah. Let's see. ES going for the high. Let's see if NQ does it as well. This is not real money, Michael Cisse. You have $100 7-line parlay for the money line. Oh, Timothy, you're cooking, dude. If Mexico ends with 6 or less corners, the chat owes me $100. Oh my god. All right, ES took that high. Let's see if we get the push through on ES. Then we get the same on NQ. I'm just gonna get rid of this because it's paper. Teach her some new words. All right, Miss Sholita's daughter. It's time to learn some new words. Oh my god. It's so funny. We're in a B-shaped volume profile. What the hell does that mean? Red or black? Putting $100 on it just so I make my money back. Black. If we win, I'll run my own giveaway during Power Hour on Wednesday when I get back. All right, let's go. Just came back on. I see the solo Spudathon continues. Becky's out there grabbing some food. Don't worry, but the Spudathon is continuing. Spuddy Buddy Doe be down a little bit, so on this paper account. So it's okay. ES took that high and immediately came back down. So again, not saying it's bearish, but if we get a crack under this trend line, this could get a little interesting. Both of them are kind of squeezing. It's just, I don't know. It's kind of a weird little squeeze. I mean, it's pretty I'm pretty bullish overall on NQ. Just like this interest swing. Like we usually retrace news moves. So I wouldn't be like shocked if we came back down, but I also wouldn't be shocked if we continued up. It's just not time. This is a FAFO time right now. Teacher, pass the pasta paste. The CME trading challenge. What's that? Cafe is going to open at the end of this month. Oh my God, Angia.
Give me back.
You're opening a cafe? Downtown Julie Brown. You shorted the textbook bull flag? Yes. Also, this is not a flag. It's a pennant.
So what does
Actually,
that
it's
mean?
more like a triangle. More like a triangle.
What does that mean?
Well, it's technically not even a pennant. Like a pennant would be more like this.
Can you hear me?
It's more of like a triangle. Yeah, I can hear you.
What does it mean?
It's like a bilateral pattern. Nothing. What do you got? What is that? Oh yeah, your shitty little egg sandwich. It hit black. Timothy, let's go. I'll take half. Let's go. Timmy's up. Timmy be up. Yeah, now he's got some of this shit going here. Whoa. Thought I hit the backspace. There we go. Only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Hit my TP.
Let's go, dog. Easy money. Oh wait, it did or
very
did
difficult money, actually. No, it hasn't yet.
Oh.
It's actually been a very difficult money trade. Okay. I'm very stressed.
Yeah, this is definitely a rising wedge.
What does that mean? Shorted or long it?
It means bearish.
What?
I mean, you should be fine. Like ES needs to take this high and diddly doodah to the highs, but it's NQ just looking like it just. I don't know. We always retrace news moves. So, where'd you get in your long at?
Chicago's under a tornado watch. Rip to the spud.
Yeah, we're fucked.
Someone said, "What are you eating?" What do you think I'm eating? I got in long, and I didn't mean that sarcastically. You can try and guess. I got in at 169.
You're up 120 points. The fuck you still holding for?
Check it out.
I mean, I don't know. Like, are you up? Are you up?
I'm up. Now I'm less up.
Oh, you're in a micro. Fuck it, risk it.
Right. Exactly.
Dude, you can literally see the storm coming.
Turn your computer. Let me see.
Yeah, but then fuck. Okay, hold on.
Hey, you want to come on the show? You can come on the show. Do you think you can outtrade us? Come on.
Who is that?
I don't know. Their name is also 6859.
Wait, hold on. I gotta actually get my actual camera on so I can talk shit. Okay. Hold on. I gotta make sure the hair's okay. Make sure the hair's okay. Oxo, Exo. I don't see you in the top 5, dog. Did you place the top 5 at the Red Cup? Don't think so.
Neither did I. So that's all right.
Yeah, but you can still talk shit.
Oh, sorry, okay. Dion. It's an egg, sausage, potato, bacon wrap from Starbucks with sweet chili sriracha, which is so good.
This is gonna ruin my setup for when I take videos, but hold on.
It's mediocre without the sauce.
What's the zoom like on this, John?
Oh, terrible. Literally. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Wait, you're gonna end up seeing. Wait, hold on.
You just see fog.
Yeah. Oh, fuck this shit up. Okay, we're gonna end up coming back to that in a minute. When it actually starts to get closer to the city.
Someone's gonna use that to triangulate your house.
Yeah, they could. They definitely could. If they really wanted to, you could figure out where I live. But if you figure out where I live, don't hurt
Good for
me.
you.
Wait, Ashish, you live in that building? No shot? Actually? You geolocating. Think I know how to do work hard.
Come on, NQ.
I don't know, dude. It's looking a little dumperooski.
What?
Spud lives on Esteem Island.
Whoa.
Don't you live in Caprini Green? Where's that? Just send a potato peeler. Yeah, please. I haven't practiced piano in a minute though. I'm gonna need a bit. We all saw. Hell no. We all saw how you were ready to throw hands the day Luna got stuck. Yeah, that's right. That almost got a little crazy.
Wait, what happened?
That was when like I thought somebody was breaking into my house or into the apartment.
What?
You'll have to go back and watch it because you can actually hear the
Today?
No, it was like a week or two ago. It was like 2 weeks ago. It was the morning segment and I was doing my my analysis shit and I was just talking and then all of a sudden like I heard like I knew my fiance was taking taking Luna out, right? And then whenever Luna comes back in, she rushes up to the door and then she'll let her in. She comes and says hi. Okay. But like this day, I heard like her nails on the floor going like whatever, and then it like hit the door, but it hit like kind of hard. And then I heard like shit crashing, like literally like crashing. And then my fiance starts like screaming. She's like, Luna. And I didn't realize she was laughing, but it sounded like fear to me. So the first two thoughts in my head were one, like something's wrong with Luna. Like she's like choking on something or whatever. Right. And then I was going to go up anyway. But then like shit was just banging all over in the living room. And like, I could hear it like hitting the walls, like behind me and like going crazy. And then the only other thought in my head was like, they let people up. Like, if you order Uber Eats, there's like a front desk person. You need a code to get everywhere in this building. And I thought maybe like one of the Uber Eats people followed her up the elevator and then was like breaking into the apartment thinking she was alone or something. So I go, hold on, I'll be right back. And then I threw my headset down and then I ran out there like I thought I was going to have to kill somebody. And then it turns out that Luna's leash got stuck on one of the drying racks we use, like when you hang your clothes. And she was running around the apartment, dragging this like 4-foot drying rack, like smacking into the walls, like knocking shit off the coffee table, like crazy.
And you were ready to, how American of you? I'm going to kill somebody. Someone steps into my apartment. Actually,
I would hope so.
When I sleep alone, or like when my husband works a night shift and I'm alone with the kids, I keep like a gigantic knife by my bed, which probably isn't smart because like if my kids get up and they're like, "Ooh, knife."
Ooh, knife. Yeah, dude, I'm sorry. Not gonna do shit with a knife. You need the.
I don't have it. I don't have it.
You need the blicky.
I don't have it. You're not allowed. I don't think. I don't have one. That's sauce.
See, I can't have them in the apartment, which I feel safe in this apartment, so it's fine. But like at home, oh no, I'm strapped up. What do you mean, why? You can't have guns in the city of Chicago. I mean, people still have them, but like, you can't have a gun here. They'd have to go through. You have to use a code to get through the main door with the front desk person, and then you have to use a code to get up to your floor on an elevator, and then you got to get a code to get into your apartment. So use our phones. So. I got the op stopper 3000. Yeah, dude. Exactly.
See, I'm moving into a townhouse, so it makes me stressed because there's nothing stopping people from the outside.
Yeah, dude. You're going to be in Switzerland though, right?
Yeah, very safe.
Yeah, dude. Get the blicky. All right, I'm just fucking doing this. You got to get the
Can you put my screen on, please? Because it's hopefully going to hit my TP here.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Versus watching me lose $1 billion. Play hard. Potato shooting, how ironic. Shout out Chirac.
Come on. Let me hit a 219 point trade here on stream. Come on.
Hell yeah. I have a Foyd card. I just you have to have a Foyd card to own guns, but you also need to conceal and carry. And I don't think you can have guns in the city of Chicago. Oh hell yeah.
Am I gonna be a dick for a tick? You guys gotta move to Miami. Yeah, I just don't really want like come on.
What?
It's got so close.
I would go to Miami, but I wouldn't move. I mean, I can go hang out and party. I'm always down for that.
Just very difficult to move kids internationally. Plus, my husband can't work in the States, so also can't work in Canada.
Lame. That was a 707.
What do you mean? What do you mean? The pocket GP?
Yep, that was literally the 707 to the tick. Oh my god. Like actually to the tick. Like the high was 374.25 and the GP is 373.50. Oh my god. I just added in another million contracts.
All right. Come on, hit my TP. Come on.
Yeah, hit the TP and then dump. I mean, I don't really care if it dumps, but it would be cool.
I can't get the freaking protector thing off of my cup here. I can't get it off.
Yeah, Timothy, you.
Oh, there we go.
Got it.
Yep. Go! Hit my TP! Go!
You can at least have a revolver in Chicago? Wait, really?
Nick's about to buy one right now.
In Chicago.
Can you buy guns
Do you
online?
own a revolver in Chicago? No. You have to go in to like buy. And like most places, or I guess like depending on your state, usually you have to have like a waiting period. Like if you go purchase one, you can't just take it home right away. Like you have to wait like 2 weeks or something.
Wow.
It depends what state it is, I think. 72-hour waiting period for handguns in Illinois. Okay. Oh, you can have a revolver. I don't know if my building allows that though.
Chat, is this gonna hit my TP? Or is it gonna edge me?
What is TP 369? 89?
No. 388. I actually want to put it at 390, but
Move it up to like 420.
what?
I mean, if it breaks here, dude, it's gonna go. Like, it's not just gonna hit your TP and dump.
Might.
Yeah, it might. I think you're fine. ES is finally breaking this too. Like, I think you're fine. I won't say I won't. Never mind. Just take the TP.
Come on. Come
North Carolina, you can
on.
just buy whatever you want and leave with it. That's kind of sick. Oh, you can have it
Move
shipped
up
to a
my
dealer.
TP.
Yeah, why not? Let it ride a little bit. Why don't you? Do you ever trail? Why don't you trail it?
No, I'm very focused. This is a 219 point trade. Actually, yeah, 219. Oh,
Yeah, this range is crazy though. Like you can get 400 fucking points out of this.
can you just be proud of my 200 point trade?
Oh. Oh, that's just weak. That's just weak. Oh my god, you should have trailed it.
Shut up.
Hell yeah. Move it to all-time highs. Yeah, dude. What the hell?
Still down on the day. Ding ding, go
maybe
back.
maybe I was
That's the
smart
response I'm looking for.
Not there. Ding ding, go Becky. Don't be a dick for a tick, says Nick. Yeah.
Oh, they
that's
got a
facts,
goal.
F-grade.
Mexico.
Mexico.
All right, my work is done.
Interesting. No, that was on our actual account. Hold till MOC. That would have been ballsy.
Here,
I
yeah,
like
this is my live account. No, that was not a paper trade. Now I like the shorts.
At 707, I would actually low key might actually take a real short here. 40 points. Okay.
M. Shalita, what do you mean? You used to pee, but sometimes I feel kind of nervous.
Hey, yo, what?
What?
Okay, I'm actually gonna take that. I wish I could redo this, because now I'm in from 373 with a stop at. Actually, I was gonna put my stop at 414, but I'm gonna put it at 420 just cause.
I will paper trade this short.
This isn't on a Tradeify account, so it's gonna be paper for now. Work hard. Actually, hold on. I'll just close this because it's still at the same entry. Reset my paper.
All right, I'm in short. How am I already down 12 grand?
I'm down 12 million, 30 million.
Do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Yeah, your shitty ass ice chewing.
Yeah.
You know it's bad for your teeth?
I have nice teeth, though. I'm not worried about it.
No, but you don't want to ruin them.
True. Oh, man. That was a great long.
Now you're about to catch the great short.
Yeah, paper, but yeah.
ES like barely gets above this, but that 15-minute was a good close. The hourly is interesting. Hourly sweeps the high on ES and then starts to dump. Maybe NQ is definitely going to dump. I actually genuinely like this short.
That level, by the way, at 390 was the 78% chance that the high of week was at that price or above. That's what that was.
So like Friday wouldn't expect it to go higher than that.
Well, either there
that destroys
or
that gives me goosebumps to hear you chew it like that. It destroys the enamel on your teeth. Did you know that?
No.
Say goodbye to your enamel and hello to poopy teeth.
Bye, enamel. Hello, poopy teeth. You sound like my son. Beep beep poopy. Beep beep poopy. Everything is beep beep poopy. There's like this, I think it's an SNL skit where they're like, if they had to do a skit where like the word for money is pee pee poopy. And they're doing an auction. He's like, and 10 pee pee poopy pee 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 poo poo 10 pee pee poopy sold for 15 million. Poo poo pee pee. I'm like, that's what's like living with my son.
Oh, that's so good.
Yes. My stop's gonna get hit. I'm gonna lose 232,000.
That's all right. I'm down 232 million.
Yikes! That's a rough day on the charts.
Yeah, that's a tough one. That's a tough one. We come back from those. But it's crazy. Like, all right, the 1 minute is okay. 5 minutes, 74 points.
Don't you love when you guys start saying something and the chat starts diagnosing you? Yes.
Yes. I should have one of those
penny trades. How many shares is this trade? I mean, my paper trade that I'm currently in is 3,000 micro short. But I took 1 micro long on my personal account.
I mean, with these kind of conditions, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Dude, I am so cold. My stupid freaking. Your heart pounded on that. Oh, did you hear that beep beep? You heard?
Yeah, I did.
Being triggered. Oh,
yeah, I thought you were. I thought
there's
you
an
were
alert on my chart.
Turn this shit off, dog.
I can't. Who is that to?
What?
It was like a. Was it to the group chat? Why were you meowing?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my gosh! Like, yeah, why? I don't know. Do you meow at your dog a lot or what?
I didn't meow, did I?
You did. Go back and watch. You were like, meow.
Fucking, oh my god, dude.
You're red.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's hot in here, dude. I bet my fiance turned off the fucking AC. Should be doing that lately.
Ugh, my husband does that too. I'd say it was more of a snarl. Can you please go back? Like,
yeah, it was definitely more of a
minutes?
snarl.
Sometimes
Drew's power is
things-
definitely going out in like 10 minutes.
Munton says sometimes things happen.
Oh man,
my
yeah, it was Epic's
God.
right. I was checking his foot pics.
Whose foot pics?
Who's what?
Whose food pics?
It sounded like you're about to say foo, and then a couple things, and then later on, and then some filler stuff, and then pa. You don't know what I'm talking about?
A fupa? Is that a thing? I don't even know what that is. What is it? I don't even know.
Oh my god, you did not just say that.
What is it? I don't even know.
Holy shit. Wait, I gotta text Mario.
No. I don't even know what it is. What is it? Oh my gosh, what is it?
Oh my
Someone
god.
please tell me. I'm gonna Google it. I don't even know.
Yeah,
I'm trying.
Google it. Go to Google Images.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's the right? It's
Bro,
not a
just
bad
Google
word.
it and look at Google Images.
That's not a bad word. Why
Yeah,
is that
but
bad?
the common way, the common abbreviation is not, it's not, the P part does not end in ick, it ends in C. Like,
Oh, because that's like,
Yeah.
isn't that okay? I'm gonna stop talking. I stopped talking because I've heard that before, but it was more of like it wasn't and it was not a derogatory thing. It was just like that's what it was.
oh my god.
Oh,
I love
God,
how
shut the fuck up,
hamster
okay.
wheel goes, oh baby girl.
I didn't know it was bad. Oh gosh, I get canceled. Yes, Rebecca, Google that on your work laptop. Hold on. Pause. I need to type something.
Nah, you don't get to type, dog.
My stop on my paper short is about to get hit. Someone come get their auntie. Their auntie. No, you're never getting rid of me. Oh my gosh, let's just move up my stop. I want to stay in this. Honestly, I never searched so many random things on Google. This stream is wild.
Oh my god, it's too funny.
Uh-oh. She's emailing HR and apologizing. I didn't even think it was bad. It's not even that bad. Ooh, look at the lungs. Boom. Boom.
Told you should have held it. No.
You did tell me.
Trailing is the best, especially when you get like a trendy shit like this. That's how you catch those moves.
True. True. Oh, there it goes. 460. 421. You said it. You said it.
Oh man, if only you listen to the wise words of the Spud more often, be
Rats.
rich.
Nick in the chat. It's the yeah, that's me.
What? Oh.
I'm trying to explain. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, 420 blaze it.
Frick. All right, let's add into my position. Perfect. Only risking half a million. Oh gosh. Yes, we learned trading, but we learned new words. And we learned a lot of new stuff too. That's right.
Yeah, we're teaching people. We're teaching people. Listen, this is the shit that you have to know, right? Like if you don't know these things, you're doomed. And so we just try to see, here's what we do at TTV. We set you up for success. And that starts with slangs.
True.
Wow, what a pump. So much for that 707
wow.
short.
Is anyone still in it? Gosh.
Storm is getting closer.
That's exciting.
Hey, me house. How's the weather? Mine's building and coming right at me. Yeah.
Are you in Chicago, Lizzie?
Yeah, wait, are you in Chicago? This shit's getting like kind of wild out there. It's coming. Oh, it's coming.
Oh yeah, that should be the giveaway word.
It's oh.
All right, I'm flipping, getting along.
Godspeed.
Thanks. On paper, people, on paper. Oh no, I sold. Frick, I didn't mean to do that. That's an expensive mistake.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the keyword in the chat. Potentially, we'll hear from somebody after this, but you know, YOLO. All right, the keyword is in the chat. Go ahead and type it once, not twice.
All right, the next level above is at 29,693.
Of course, it's at 69.
Mm-hmm.
Football. Oh wait.
What does that mean? I don't know what that means.
Oh no, for some reason it's translating my actual keyword to football. I'm like, why is everybody typing football? There goes your enamel. I can literally hear it going away.
Oh, my long is cooking. My long is cooking.
Here we go. Watch for news. That was crazy. Right.
Oh, given that the U.S. has accepted the text proposed by Iran, the likelihood of this text being approved by Iran is high. Trump is speaking right now. He just announced. He just made a great settlement of war with Iran.
Oh yeah.
He just announced. All right, I'm gonna go to my actual account here and go long.
Oh, you're gonna send it there faster too? Godspeed.
Might as well. If this is true, we're gonna freaking rip. Come on, I need to go faster. Go faster.
5 minis. 1.
That's all I can do. That's all I can do.
That's the margin?
Yep.
1
micro.
How much is in that account?
16 grand, 15 grand.
And they only let you trade 1?
Yeah. Let's try one more.
That's fucked up. That is genuinely crazy.
Gonna reject.
I was lucky just gonna say.
Oh no, I can do 2. Here we go. I'm just being a bit of an idiot. I wouldn't jump in on this.
This is the 786. This exact level at 500. Just FYI.
All right. Well, let's just see what it does. I'm gonna go watch it on my paper so I don't get all stressed out.
Yeah. Smart. Can you hedge positions on Tradeify? No, you cannot. But you can be long NQ short ES. You just can't hedge the same thing. What the fuck is? Who's laughing at? Oh wait, is it on?
Oh my god. Oh, chewy ice is a good sign. Okay, perfect. But I'm iron deficient. Awesome.
Good. That's really good. Oh wait, speaking of ice, I need a sparkling ice.
Go and then do the giveaway.
Oh right, wait here. I'll do the giveaway first. What would make sense to give away here?
Should we do a 50K lightning? Oh, okay. 150K?
Yeah, fuck it. Too late. Yeah, let's do 150K select.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
150K select the Roni.
Yeah,
Choosing winner. Boom. Ingrid Tsai. What?
I'm just crying for no reason. You win!
You win.
Please let us know. Look. I'm laughing at the GIF. The GIF? GIF?
Oh my god.
Yes, Timothy got it. Timothy got what I was laughing at.
Oh my god, it's so good. Straight will open as soon as the deal is signed.
We see you.
I got you, dog. Put your Tradeify email in your YouTube description.
I have the giggles. Oh my god. Why did I order 3 sauces? I used 1. Well, now I got 2 if I ever need them for anything else. On my desk is just a pile of sauces.
Just a pile of sauces.
For my pie stuff.
Oh my gosh. I'm having what she's having. Yeah, me too.
Just joy of life.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my goodness, that was amazing. All right, let's go. Pump, 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 pump. I want at least 693 here.
6-9.
But I'm not going to put a TP in case this thing like just...
Yeah, no, I wouldn't. In case it just rockets.
Yeah. Oh, now he says the signing could be soon, maybe over the weekend. Then he's going to announce that Friday after the markets are closed. They rejected this the proposal.
Yeah. Back down. I made all my money and I opened up shorts. Back down we go.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you swing those 2 micros? You should.
Yes.
Yeah,
I can.
Inksley, we got you, dog.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Wait, I gotta get my sparkling ice. I pulled that.
Okay, go.
Stay here. Don't go anywhere.
Ozempic, I wish. I gotta go do like daycare pickup and all that freaking fun stuff. I'm filming a podcast after the stream. I wish. Okay. Who has their money on Mexico winning this first game here? Do 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 do. Okay, how's my long doing? Not so great. Actually, it's not bad. Still green. Still green. Rebecca, are you close to Vancouver? I am in Vancouver, my friend. I am in Vancouver. Not for much longer, though. Moving to Switzerland at the end of the month. Okay, any news? No. Just sit back and watch and wait for an agreement. Come on. Gold just absolutely ripping too. Might find some resistance on gold here at 245, 10 points up, but kind of feel like
Reese's
sky's the
Pieces.
limit. Oh, wait, let's see that again.
It's not pieces though. I took a
What
bite.
is it? Is it a real one?
Oh no, it's just a peanut butter cup from Trader Joe's.
So no, it's non Reese's pieces.
Can I enjoy this?
No. No. It's gonna ruin
Ooh,
your
lightning.
No way.
Yeah, wait. So I can see both the Sears Tower and the Trump Tower like perfectly. And like last night we had so much lightning that it was just lightning striking both. Ooh.
Oh,
It was just
I heard it.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it.
Show up my window.
Don't close it or you're opening. Well, we can't see.
Open it. I'm gonna open it.
You opening that did nothing for us. View is still the same.
Yeah, but now we can hear the thunder. Wait. Oh, I'll turn up my gain a little bit. I'm gonna watch for the lightning strikes. They're so cool, dude. They like literally hit the top of the antennas on either of both the towers. They're so sick.
Did you come out on
Yes,
the
you can get kissed by
balcony in
digital.
Miami when the lightning was literally
Into
right
the
there?
geolocation spreadsheet. I saw everybody out there, but I was too busy getting drunk.
Yeah. Drew was out there. Drew, those lightnings were like, how close were they? Drew. Drew.
I'm glad I could just turn on my microphone. I was typing in the chat.
Oh. This photo? Can you send me the photo? Yeah, it was like two
wonder-
buildings away.
It's a live photo, so I don't know if Slack will like.
It was so close. It was crazy.
Ozempic blue, please. Yeah, we're in the lightning round.
Excuse me. What about me?
I can just put it on stream.
Did you even play soccer?
Yeah, I did fucking play soccer.
Competitively
I'm fucking
or just on
Mexican
the
and
house
Italian. Of
team?
course I played soccer.
You
Huh?
can't speak either of those languages.
I was trying to think of a witty comeback, but I didn't have any. What's 45 times 5 right now?
Wow.
225. Jesus.
And you just want to prove that you could do something?
Yeah, I didn't know what else to do.
I panicked. You just started doing math.
I was like, I guess math.
Here, I'll put the.
That's
I'll put the
Sputnik's
picture on
face. Holy
stream.
shit. That better be a good holy shit.
No, I don't. I know it's Spanish. Nick, I'm going to ban you.
Yeah, actually, that guy's right. You speak Mexican's a language. Like, what the fuck?
So did you. You had no response. Oh.
My next reel is going to be about you.
At least tag me in it.
No. I'm going to make it about you, but I'm not going to tag you in it. So you're not getting shit.
I'm going to make a reel of a dog shitting on the floor and be like, it's Nick.
Here's the photo I took.
What is that?
I took it right as the lightning.
Whoa.
It fucked up the sensor on the live photo.
Oh, is it in Slack?
No, I just have it on stream. You can see in the ninja.
Where did the
Oh.
lightning strike? Like literally in your
Like,
front
right
of your
to the
face?
Right of the photo. It hit the building to the right of us.
Wow.
I mean, am I slow or what?
Yes, but
What? No, you can't see the lightning in the photo. The lightning hit to the right of the camera, but the lightning flash was so bright that it fucked up the sensor on the camera. That's what those little bars are.
Oh, that's cool. Those are normal sirens, real Crispy.
oh, JC Health and Fitness, that's a very that's a tough conversation. Did they get to play? Did they get put into the World Cup or no? I haven't kept up with it. Is Iran playing?
Yeah, they're playing.
They are. Wow.
They
Okay.
had to move their base camp to Mexico, though.
Oh. Drew's in the background spitting the facts.
I think my microphone's actually on. I turned it on earlier and I never turned it on.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's my nightmare. Not knowing that my mic is on.
Yeah, get off and be like, beep, 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 beep.
I'm like, oh man, I hate pretending I have to like Nick for like an hour and a half every single day.
Yeah, dude, like I'm really
2
stressing
hours.
out thinking about how I have to sit here and listen to your ass this whole time. Like, oh my God. I could be hitting a
Absolute worst
fat
part
ass
of my day.
ribeye right now.
I'm so glad that you said ribeye. I was very confused for that sentence.
What'd you think of?
I have no idea. With you, you never know.
No, I mean, you know what? That's fair. That's actually so fair.
So, do you have a favorite place to go in Chicago for steak?
The only couple places I've been to, Gibson's, Prime and Provisions, and the Alston. My favorite right now is Prime and Provisions or the Alston, but it's about to storm like crazy. So,
Are you saying Austin or Alston?
Alston, Alston.
Oh, okay, Alston.
Alston. Like, bro. Just stop at ribeye.
Oh, you have like sirens all day.
I live in the middle of Chicago. Of course, I'm gonna hear sirens all day.
I know, it's crazy. Isn't Gordon Ramsay
no, it is all
Burger in
day.
Chicago? Have you been there? Gordon Ramsay Burger?
No, I've walked by it a shit ton of times though. I just can't tell if it's just like an overhyped because it's Gordon Ramsay or if it's actually good.
Is the mic? Oh, wait.
So
I don't know if they're trying to bait you to say something, Dion Walker.
No, Mike.
is the Mike? Oh no, Mike Ditka.
Okay.
That's an actual guy.
Okay.
I've never been to it. If he has a place, I haven't been to it. I have heard that it is good though.
I've chewed up like all the ice in here. That's sad.
Yeah, all the enamel on your teeth is gone.
I'm going to the dentist tomorrow. Before
Yeah, they're gonna see
stream.
it. They're gonna see it and they're gonna be like, "Wow, yeah."
Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can still speak on stream. I'm like,
I mean, what are they like? Are you getting a cavity filled or what?
I'm getting my mouth, like my teeth, like a retainer made, and then they're like shaving down one of the sides of my teeth, and then they're putting 2 caps on my teeth. So they said that it doesn't hurt. It doesn't require freezing though.
Oh, okay. Freezing.
Anesthesia?
Oh,
Like local anesthesia? Freezing? What do you call it?
I have never heard that. Anesthesia, like going to sleep.
I mean, you don't
Numbing?
go. No, numbing. You never. No one says freezing.
No. Anybody in chat say freezing? Like, never heard of that in my entire life. Oh. Wait, I don't know what that was. That wasn't lightning.
Thunder. Yes, Kelly Trade says freezing. There we go.
Oh, Kelly Trades is wrong.
How septic.
Not a first date. My dentist flirted with me last. Ooh, compliment your voice. Flirted back. Oh, turn up the mood completely disappeared. Once a when you just floss in your mouth with latex scrub. Nah, dude. That's it. That's the move.
Oh, you say freezing after eating pasta. That's right.
Pasta.
And it's Anastasia.
Getting a little
That's
human
funny.
here. I actually am short though for my 505 on these accounts. I'm gonna move that to. I'm putting BE on this John.
Nice. MOC incoming. That's right.
Oh shit. Yeah.
I need like twice as much numbing as the normal person. So whenever I get any like dental work done, my face is always like, and I can't eat or talk or drink or anything for like 5 hours after because it takes forever for the numbing to wear off.
Yeah.
Yeah, fun. Chris, I do not use the fractal for MOC. However, we have a very key level that could act as support at 39391. So we could come down and hit that and then keep going up, but I never use it for MOC.
My ellipsis strat says dump, so short.
And I'm gonna say long. If I didn't hit DLL on all my accounts, I would have something to trade. I do not, so I'm just gonna trade my personal for MOC.
You're gonna keep your personal on the MOC?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh,
Send
I
it.
know. Oh, Mexico hit the pole.
I was like, what are you talking about? I forgot there's a game on right now. Dude, what is this weather doing? It's like going around the city right now.
AG Trader says, "Where's my potato daddy?"
Potato Daddy had to take it off early. All right, so Potato Poppy's gonna be on tomorrow morning.
Rebecca, have you ever had nitrous oxide laughing gas during dental procedures? No, but I had it when I was in labor. If that's fun. And the doctor was trying to, whatever. I won't get into the details of it, but I was huffing that thing. Like, I was in so much pain huffing it. I huffed it so hard that my voice changed. And I was like, sounded like a serial killer. I was like, whoa. And then we decided not to move forward with whatever it was that we were doing. And my husband was like, "Are you sure?" And I was like, "I'm going to actually kill you because I'm in so much pain." And then he was like concerned about how much laughing gas I was ingesting, breathing in. And the doctor, and then we decided not to go forward with it. And the doctor was like, "It's your choice." And I was like, like, oh, I felt like, oh, I can't even do this serial. It sounded like the Saw, like the guy in the movie Saw. He's like, he speaks over the microphone. And then I was like, "I know where you live." That's what I said to my doctor, pretending to be a serial killer. High on. Yes. Yeah, weird.
20 seconds. I'm actually gonna move this to in profit like 480 just in case. Don't really want to be in it that much. I think the storm's gonna miss the city. I think it went around the side of it.
That's interesting. Also anticlimactic. All right, MOC, nothing's happening.
To the buy side, but like minimally. Wait, we've never looked at the Dow or RTY during MOC.
Mm-mm.
I wonder if they're better.
Look, take a look.
I did. I didn't really do anything.
Okay.
Bro, chew that ice one more time. I'm literally calling the police on your building.
Where's my building?
I don't want to dox you live on stream.
You don't even know.
78 Whacker, 7548, zip code 64532. Canada.
Wow. Nailed it.
Move stop to 458.
No, that's not what I was doing. I was doing the ice cream song. Ice cream truck song.
Pull up in the ice cream. All right, bro. What the fuck are you singing?
What are you singing?
Montana 300, ice cream truck. You gonna pull up like the ice cream truck. Ba, 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 ba. Pull up like the ice cream truck. Ba, 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 ba. Rolling down your block, about to pop like rubber. I mean, it's literally about doing hits on people, so.
Oh, awesome. We had a 1,300 point down to NQ, and I got in at the bottom and then got stopped out because I was size too big. And then, yeah, that's awesome.
Got it at the top.
Note. Oh, yeah, shit. Note to myself. Size down.
No. Size up.
No. Canada does not have zip codes. We have postal codes.
The hell?
Do those sirens wake you up?
No, it's like white noise.
Think you could ever live? Wait, what's Canada for 911? 911.
Ooh, the thunder. Man, that's so disappointing. The storm literally just missed us completely.
Yeah, that's lame. It's like clearing up in the background.
Dude, I mean, what the... Wait, there's 2 storms, though. Wait, I think... Hold on. I love storms. Hold on.
I also...
Ooh. Oh, this next one looks disgusting. It's going to come later. It better hit us, though. Oh, it's going to fucking miss us. Oh, my God. This sucks. I'm pissed.
You should come to Tofino and do storm watching. Anyone in the chat know what I'm talking about? I talked about
The
this
hell
in
is Tofino?
Or not Mexico, Miami. Look it up. Look up Tofino. You're gonna think it's beautiful.
Delfino or Duffino?
Tofino.
Tofino weather.
And look up Tofino storm
Canada.
watching.
Tofino storm. Ooh, wait, that looks really fun.
Yeah, it is fun. Like huge waves come in.
Okay, I'm down.
Yeah, and then sometimes people even surf them. It's very expensive.
That'd be crazy.
Worth it. I've always wanted to go.
I got stopped out. Pull up like the ice cream.
Nick's gonna become a storm chaser. That's right.
I would do it.
Represent a trades guy. Are you in BC? Have you ever watched this guy, Stefano, the space weather guy? Who? But another storm is going to hit us around 6 or 7. Ooh, that's soon.
6, 7.
Oh,
That's like 3 more hours.
He said,
But yeah, I am excited for that.
Potato, because my kid requested me to put you on. His kid requested the potato.
The potato? All right.
Yeah. Hi, creative wall printing. Oh. Nice. 50K growth passed on that MCL sell-off. Nice.
Fire.
Bye, Timothy.
Yo.
You guys, tomorrow's D-Day for Jay.
Yeah, poor Jay. It's all over.
Yeah, tomorrow's the day. Is Jay here? Do you think
Tomorrow,
Jay's like he's not
Jay
even a trader?
becomes
He just
single.
came here to ask advice about his career.
Actually, yeah, because he's never came back.
You DM'd me on X. No. Think we scared him away? I thought I gave some good advice.
I think so, dude.
Just didn't want to hear the truth. All right, you DM'd me on X. Oh God, yeah, my requests. Oh, there's a lot.
Space weather to have all that be what I haven't heard. Huh? Yeah, chat did roast him. That's true. I wouldn't come back if I were him. I mean, but we were on his side. Like, we just probably told him things he didn't want to hear.
True. Very true. Oh, uh-oh. What's your name? Oh, God. What's your name on... Oh, DB. Okay. Hold on. Oh, I have wrap in my hair. No one told me.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Hold on.
It's getting a little windy in here. Damn.
DB. Oh, there you are. Oh, shoot. No.
Name
Oh, undo. I declined it by accident. Accept. Okay. Hello. Yes. Give me one. Wait till. Okay. Ping me after stream, please.
You know he's watching,
I responded
right?
to you. I know. But I'm not gonna.
Get inspired, man.
Okay, there we go. Thank you. Sorry about that. What are you gonna try again tomorrow morning? Becca with the crummy hair. Honestly, I know. Is there any more news?
Get her ass.
No, Gibby before the rippy. Excuse me.
Time out. Yummy.
Oh, Houdini. There you are. Accept. Hello. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I'm so sorry.
Body's dropping, never had a chance.
Okay, you responded to me. We're good. We're sorted. Alrighty. Oh, stress averted. All right, I'm still in my long here. Back up to my entry. Are we gonna get an after hours God candle or either way? What do we think here?
I mean, I'd imagine maybe a God candle, but like a little. We always sell the news, and like this is just we're in the same position as we were like 2 days ago. Like he said we were gonna strike them hard today, and then we dumped, and like then he's saying he's not striking them today, but then we have a deal. So like I don't really know.
Man, it's bouncing right off my entry. I'm from Europe. Buy or sell?
Nothing. Wait, you gonna actually give a signal?
No.
Becky's
Definitely
like, yes.
Sideways.
Sideways. Think he's never had a chance.
I think I might just close this.
Cry. You listen. You'd probably like Rufus the Soul a lot.
Probably.
Looks like there's rain up ahead.
The world's back to equilibrium. That's funny.
Feels like my day could be turning. Like I can tell that my luck's gonna change. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down. But that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby.
As my son would say. Can you stop singing? Oh, I've heard this song. So I can enjoy
You know it's good. Good close, by the way.
Thank you.
You going to the concert end of month? I go tomorrow. Is anybody seeing Rufus tomorrow in Wrigley? We can meet up. Shut up, Spud. Nah, dude. Sorry, dog. Longs are getting cooked. It's short time, baby. Still riding from 504. Music should be higher. She likes it. I bet. Becky, for some reason, we have to turn our volume down because it's so much louder to us than it is to the chat.
Okay, go.
Maybe that's only me. I don't know.
Turn up.
I'll probably let you down. But that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby.
Danny boy, I just closed a long that I was in. I took a long from 73, 75 up to 88. A 219 point trade on stream, and now the markets are officially closed. So there you go. And literally, that's so funny. You just came here. Nick literally just put his filter back on because one of our OGs in the chat, your kid likes to come on and watch him be a potato for a bit. So it's kind of fun.
Trader Phil, I don't see it. Just DM me on Instagram. X sucks. Instagram's more fun.
He sent me a screenshot. He said, "Friggin' Trader Phil block."
It's called "On My Knees" by Rufus the Soul. All of Rufus' songs are gas. So watch. Yes. Is this Justin Bieber? Who's Teddy Swift? It's a reply to Joey.
Hey, Mr. Potato, heard you're a good dancer. They directed me here to see your moves.
I am one of the best dancers you'll ever see. So that's fact.
If you want to see someone break their neck, you've come to the right place.
You've come to the right place.
Gold levels. Yeah. Let's get on it. Jonathan, I mean, great is hearsay. There was a lot going on, I'll tell you.
The hell you talking about?
You.
Ooh, the rain. What about me? The rain's coming in.
He said, I heard you were good on a stripper pole, and I said, great is...
I am. I'm not going to lie to you. The moves I was throwing back, I think would have been better than the moves that you would have thrown back if you were trying to throw some moves.
I threw back no moves because I did not want any videos of me in a dress on a stripper pole.
And that's why I am the best.
It's true. Well, third place best, but yeah.
I'm literally going to go to the top of the Sears Tower and stick my hand on top of the antenna and just pray to God that lightning strikes it.
Okay, but can you film it when you do?
Yeah, except my phone would get incinerated.
Oh my gosh. Actually, it was funny because they're like, Rebecca, you go up. I'm like, I'm in a short dress. And they're like, oh yeah, no, don't do that. We do not. HR is like, no.
Like, no.
What did your fiance say about that pole performance? She gasped. How? There's no way she was shocked.
Yeah, she was, but she was also more nervous that like I severely injured my neck. I'm like, listen, I'm fine.
Fine. I don't have a neck. Look at me. I'm a potato.
I'm a fucking potato dog.
Necklace.
I'm Nicholas.
I'm Nicholas. Nearly Nicholas Nick.
Bro, what are you on about?
Because if you broke your neck, you'd be Nick. If you had no neck anymore, you're nearly Nicholas Nick. Nearly Necklace Nick.
Nearly Necklace Nick. I like it.
Right? Okay. Gold. I'm on my knees.
Spot is the best. Who's Spot? Going down to get food and play some blackjack. Hell yeah, let's go, Jonathan. Godspeed, brother. Mom's throwing 2 stripper poles.
Yes, remember, tomorrow is the SpaceX IPO. Are you going to buy any?
No. It's probably going to get just fucking rugged. Maybe when it dumps down quite a bit, I'll buy some.
Okay. June 12th. Okay, I'm working on the levels.
All right. Wait for the repo. Yep, I'm going to wait for that repo, and then I'm going to be hopping in them lounge. I'm really sad that the storm is going past us like that. All right. I'm so hungry. I'm saving all my calories for dinner right now.
What are you going to have?
I'm going to get a little dicey. I really dig steak tartare.
Me too.
Big fan. So good. I'm gonna do that. I'm
You
gonna
went
get a
out for
little
dinner.
crazy. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Gotta celebrate life.
Nice.
So
Yeah, you do.
steak
So you get steak
tartare,
tartare.
some caviar,
Ooh.
a rib, maybe a ribeye, maybe like a bone in, and then a shit ton of sides.
Nice.
I love sides because I love having leftover sides, and then when I'm like really hungry, I want a snack, I can just smoke them.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
So Skulls Roblox says, "Hey guys, today I passed my first eval. Congratulations.
Nice
For you
job.
guys, does anything change risk wise? Well, I trade evals very heavily, so yes, it changes for me when I make it to the funded stage. Except for today, it was not a good idea, and I size down. I do like usually like 5 micros on my fundeds, and I'm like doing usually 2 to 3 minis on evals. So I changed my risk, but in terms of the trades that I take and like setups and things like that, nothing changes. I don't know about you, Nick. I think you're the same.
What are you talking about?
The question said, I asked my first eval.
Okay.
Is there anything that changes risk wise? And I said, well, I definitely like size much heavier on my eval, so I size down on my fundeds. But if you were trading your eval like you would your funded, then don't change anything. If you're sizing up
Thanks.
because it's an eval, then I probably size down.
I bet.
And Nick agrees. Have either of you guys had escargot? No.
No.
Okay, I'm getting the levels for June 12th. Well, it's actually at Asia Open. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
It's like my daughter. I'm like, don't do that. And she goes like, okay.
That dude, if I literally can't wait to have kids. It's gonna be so funny.
It's really funny. And I hope that we're still in touch so you can like tell me all the funny things and then I'll be like, see, told you. And you're like, you were right the whole time.
Well, once
Like,
we,
I know.
once you go to Switzerland, then just never come back on stream. Then I'll never talk to you again.
Okay. Good. My plan's working then.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Is escargot actually that good? Like,
No,
I've
I think it's
heard-
just the garlic that makes it good. I think it's quite chewy, isn't it?
Wait, somebody said lobster. And I kind of want to get lobster.
Okay. Gold.
Oh wait, we can get escargot. Wait, maybe I'll just get it. Just try it.
What are the red and blue lines on your chart? Are you still going to stream from Switzerland? Yes.
No, she's quitting trading and quitting streaming.
Yeah.
She got
Creative
churn
wall
butter.
printing says, if you size up for evals only, do you only take A+ setups? All my setups are A+ setups. Lol, just kidding. But but yeah, basically.
Try it. Okay, I'll get it.
That's one thing about me is I don't take trades just for like willy-nilly. They're based on a setup.
Sick.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take a willy-nilly trade right now.
do it.
Not kidding.
386.4.
3865495.
I knew that you were gonna say that.
Wait, like 4878934
No, that you were just gonna be super
or
annoying.
3857845.
All right.
You got these damn levels or what, dude?
What, you got somewhere to be?
Yeah, I want to take a nap.
You
this,
are not alive.
this was 6 hours of streaming today, by the way.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy. Did you stream the whole session before this too? Like before the women's?
No, that Amos was on for that.
Oh, okay. Before that?
4 hours. Yeah. It was fun though. I won't lie. It was
Do
fun.
you stream 6 hours every day?
No, it's usually just 5.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot. But I actually really do enjoy it.
That's good. That's good. Looks like we could get some bearish movement tomorrow on gold, but let's just
Try watching for 8 hours.
poor guy.
Watching what?
You.
Mm. Do
right.
what?
Streaming. Man, why'd I close my long? Damn it.
I mean, that's just ballsy to be holding that into the close. I
It
think you're
is.
fine closing that long. Because
Yeah,
what if it just dumps right here? Then you'd be like, oh, okay, wait, thank God I closed that long.
that's true. Oh, this is MQ. I need gold. 4229.9. And then what was the options close price? 386.26. Okie dokie. Let's do the math here. If anyone's saying anything on chat, I am not looking. We had Adobe earnings. Doesn't really do much. Okay, so
As chairman of Tradeify and Slay Markets, he has to do that. Yeah, you're right. As a chairman.
okay, there we go. Chat GPT.
Now you should be proud of that. You are watching the best stream. So. My God, you know how boring it would be to watch some of the other ones? Jeez. Looks like I'm on my knees. Oh, this place updated their website. Kind of cool.
Okie dokie.
Ooh. They got some new Lambos at this place. Wait, this
Oh,
tub.
Trump. Look, Rebecca, look. Hi. Trump is live right now.
Is he?
Mm-hmm.
Is he
Okay,
Lizzie?
here is the Lizzie. Okay, here you go. Here are the gold levels for you.
Oh, this orange is sick. Oh my God.
Oh, I like the gray.
This matte gray is disgusting.
Yeah, that looks so
Oh, wait,
good.
this actually I think is matte. I think this is technically matte black. Oh wait, oh
Looks like charcoal
No.
gray to me.
yeah,
Oh,
I
the
fuck
orange
with
looks
that. The
so
orange is
good
sick.
inside.
bro. Oh, I need to get.
What do
I
those
need to- I
buttons
need to
do? What
the
do those
button.
buttons do?
They're just buttons, like you know, like little switches. It's like the
For what?
the on and off, like to turn it, like for like AC and shit, probably. Oh, Windows.
Oh, cool.
This dude, this is the coolest thing of a Lamborghini.
What is
ever.
that?
Like, that's the start and stop. You like lift it up
You
and then
flick
you
it up
press
and then
the button. Yeah, yeah, dude, it's fucking tough. It's so that's not so tough. Oh my God,
That
no.
is tough.
Look at that, look at that. And then the oh my God. I can't. I mean, like I need to buy this car right now. Like I would get this in a heartbeat. The spoiler's sick. Like dude.
Yeah. It's nice.
Yeah. Well, now you guys all have my email.
It wasn't live. Oh, it was.
Oh, that's funny. All right. Your level's good, dog? Actually,
Yep.
we should put a level back on. I forgot about that.
Wait, what back
Took
on?
off the levels. Your levels.
I put them on. They're on.
Oh, you have them? Well,
Yeah,
no, it's not on
they
your
were just
screen.
on. Yeah, but they were for the last like 3 minutes.
Oh.
So
Looks like I'm on my knees again. Look at that pump. Imagine if you're holding. Oh wait, it actually didn't even show the pop up, so we're fine.
Okay.
But this one's sick. I'm buying this. I literally want this like right now. Like I would literally go and buy this right now if I had a fucking house.
If you had a house. That's a good way to word it. If you had a house.
Oh my god, I want it.
Just go get it.
Where am I gonna drive it? Like I live in a city. I'm just gonna hit a bunch of potholes.
Just store it at your parents' house so you can keep it hidden.
Yeah, so my dad can rip it around all day? Hell no.
What? You owe that to your dad.
Well, yeah, absolutely. No, I'm not saying that in the way of like I don't want him to drive it. I'm just being like I would be jealous as fuck if he's just ripping it and I just get to sit there and see videos of him driving it around.
Yeah, but it'd be yours.
I don't give a fuck. I want to be able to drive it every single day. Next summer's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna put like 10,000 miles on that thing.
You're gonna get one for next summer.
Yeah, like actually 100%. Like I'm dialed.
Okay.
But I need a house. I need to park it in a garage.
Yes.
In my own garage.
And you're gonna move out of the city, right?
Yeah. We're gonna go to the suburbs, closer to the parents.
That's nice.
Yeah. I'm gonna get one of those like
I can't walk to a. You're like you won't be able to walk to a bar. Like, is it a suburb that has like coffee shops or like bars close by? Or
yeah. There's like downtowns. Yeah, it's not like country. Like there's downtowns and shit. But
oh, okay.
That's okay. It'll be cooler to drive the Lambo to places and then have the valet put it away. You know, like oh my god, bro, I just want to move out.
Really?
Yes, literally for the car. Like literally for the car.
Just for the car.
Yeah, like I can't. Like it would be stupid to have one here. It'd be a waste of time and money.
Does your fiance know that you are gonna buy one?
Yeah, she's fine because the house like.
That's what
down payment on the house is there, and then down payment for the car is there, and she's fine. I told her house comes first. We know that, so it's house is ready now. The car is ready, so it wouldn't be bad to we'd be fine. So like, I need it.
Okay. I feel like you've worked really hard. Are you gonna spend your Grand Cup money before that?
No, so like basically prepping for house down payment, 20% down on the Lambo, and then the rest of the Lambo cost is being invested so that by the time I get to the Lambo next year, it'd already be up, or I would have DCA'd so that it would have been up. And then that money will earn more than the depreciation on the Lambo and the interest that I'll pay monthly. Because it will still be a pretty big monthly payment. It'll still be like $4 or $5 grand, but like the loan interest and depreciation on the car will be basically paid for by the rest. Like if basically you take 300K, you pay 20% down, so like 50, 60K, and then you put the other 240 into the market, invest it. Then over the course of 5 years, the depreciation on the car plus the interest would be less than what you made on the 240 that you put into the market.
Wow. Okay. You thought about it.
Yeah, I have to be able to propose this and not and her to be like, yeah, okay.
Wow.
So, yeah, we're locked.
Someone said you should get a McLaren W1.
W1? I've never even heard of that.
So I checked the Lamborghini Revuelto.
Yeah, dude, it's sick. I would get that, except it's like 300,000 more than what I want to spend. Like this thing's disgusting. Yeah, I saw the Huracans are going up in price because they discontinued the V10. I know, and it's unfortunate because I need to get the car now, but I want it just to sit in the garage. Dude, look at the back of this thing. Look at that. It's a fucking jet. It's a fighter jet.
Oh, that looks like
it's a literal fighter jet. Fucking V12. Oh my god, 6.5 liter V12. This thing is just. I mean, I would get a different color. I'd probably go matte black on this, but this is just gross. Like, oh my god. Imagine a carbon fiber. Oh my god. The street. What's I'm looking for? Like the street presence would be insane on this kind of car. This one's disgusting too. I would get this, but that's a little more.
Even the color?
Yeah, it's kind of like a race car. This teal one's kind of cool. This is kind of like
I like that.
I'm a huge fan of.
STO
like
goes so hard. What's that?
That's the edition. Fuck, man.
See, I'm like, can I just get a Toyota 4Runner, please?
Bro, fuck the 4Runner. Lambos
like
and Rollies.
Dude, I got 2 little kids. You can't even put.
Details.
How many people can sit in a Lambo?
2.
Yeah, so that's not gonna work.
Oh no, I've heard of a McLaren, Izzy. I just mean I've never heard the W1. I'd get a McLaren. McLarens are sick, but I want a Lambo first.
I'm doing more to my gold levels. That's what I'm just writing them on my phone because it's too hard to go back and forth.
Yo, this one's sick. Yeah, gross. So good. I definitely modify my Lambo because the Huracan doesn't have the butterfly doors like the Aventador, and I would definitely modify it so it does. I don't want a Urus. I feel like Urus would be like the daily driver car. Oh my god, that thing's disgusting. I would totally get this though.
Would you?
That'd be the second car. Yeah, that'd be the second car. My daily.
Oh, just the daily. Okay.
Yeah, this would be the daily.
Which Audi should I get? Izzy Lizzie B?
The Q8. The Audi. Wait, hold on. Wait. You gotta get. Where is it? Yeah, get the RS Q8. These things are sick.
Whoa.
Actually,
Nice.
I mean, these are dope. It's literally the same thing as a Urus. It's the exact same build. Even like specs are the exact same. Although you definitely wrap that black. Fiance's mom has or I think she still has though. She has a Q8 and it's sick. They're quick.
Quick is fun.
Yeah. Ooh, the Ferrari. I also dig Aston Martin. Like the Vanquish. Oh, this is old. 2006. Damn. Love you too, Brad. Same engine, different tune. Yeah, I would. If I got the Q8, if I got the RS Q8, I would definitely aftermarket exhaust that.
The G63.
I don't get the infatuation with cars.
That's okay.
Oh,
Everyone
the
has their thing that
G63.
they like. Oh yeah.
I mean, I've just always wanted a Lambo, so like this just gets you there.
I don't think that I'm going to be allowed to get that.
The G63.
A G-Wagon? Yeah, there's no shot.
Yeah. My fiance hates the G-Wagon. I don't understand why. I love
it, but I'm never going to be allowed to spend more than like 80 grand on a car.
Bro, fuck that.
I know. And let's shop some sick Camrys. That's right. Flo's coming for a run up or another fall. Honestly, I'm just doing the gold levels right now. They're looking slightly bearish, but all we need is Trump to say. This is why I don't like to give a bias, because all we need is for Trump to say, everyone's agreed we're signing the papers and Israel signs and we absolutely rally. Or for him to say, the signing's off for bombing for the market to just absolutely dump. Like it's hanging on by a news update. So I have no bias. I'm just going to mark off my levels and just trade them accordingly.
Fuck with that, dog.
I know. Okay. This is interesting. Wow, gold just absolutely rallied into the close.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Damn. Oh my gosh. Gold.
I know.
Oh, that was after that. The news.
Yeah, moved the same.
All right, bro. I need a low key, high key nap.
Okay, go. Everyone, I'm still doing these. It takes me a little bit longer to do these levels, but
Oh, you're still doing? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
No. I did the main levels, and then I'm digging into it deeper, a little bit deeper for myself. So I just don't have the time. It would take me probably like 45 minutes to do it all. So I just don't have time to do it on stream because the levels don't get like update until probably about 5 minutes after close. So I don't have enough time to do that. But anyways, maybe I'll pop in on Asia and give some what I'm looking at for gold into the Asia stream.
Sweet.
Yeah. All right, everyone.
Alrighty.
Thanks for sticking around. And
Hell yeah.
Yes, Miss K. He did. Yes, thanks for sticking around, and hope that no one got absolutely smoked in that news on that news candle. And let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. Let's just wait. Let's just see what comes out of what the news, and de-risk if you need to, sit on your hands, sit it out if you need to. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see you tomorrow. You have any sign offs?
Just
hard to beat that one. I know.
He said, "See you for another 8 hours tomorrow." And yep, we'll see you tomorrow for another Spot-a-thon. And Godspeed, God bless. Have a good night, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace out.